Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome back to another London session stream. I hope everyone's been having a great week. Guys, it's been such a long time. I can't even think. It feels like I've been away for a month. It's only been a week, but I have missed you guys. I've missed trading. I've missed it all, and I cannot wait to get back into it. The markets have been doing stuff. I mean, we can say that. We finally have bearish candles printing on the daily, and I was waiting for that all of the week prior to last, and then officially when I'm not here, the market decides to dump. So I will get into that. I miss my bears, but you never know, could get my bear play in today. We will see. But I mean, so much has happened. We officially have our winner of the Grand Cup as well, which we will have a look at in just a minute. That was so much fun. Grand Cup 2, we're going to talk about it. Like, that was the most hectic, crazy run that Sputnik went on as well. There's been so much going on. I am officially in Greece as well. Like, I've moved countries. Everything is brand new. And also with that, there are obviously going to be some little teething things, moving countries. So the internet, I'm sorry, guys. Internet was not my friend yesterday, and I could not get it strong enough. But now we are good. I'm ready. Starlink is providing the internet today and for the rest of while I'm here in Greece, because for some reason, Greece is beautiful, but the internet, the infrastructure, it's not it. So anyway, I'm here. I'm with you guys. I hope you can hear me loud and clear, see me loud and clear, and then I will get straight into the rundown. Let me just see who we have here. Good morning, Miss Goofer. Good morning, Sake. Good morning, Southern Boy. Good morning, Wesley, GBR, Christy, Robot. Good morning, Samantha. Andrea's here. She said, may the gods be with you. May the Greek gods be with you and your internet, Celine. Thanks, Andrea. I'm pretty sure Starlink is going to be fine today. Fingers crossed. But Elon knows what he's doing, right? Marikat King, good morning. Justin, how are you? John, good morning. Everybody's here. Good morning. Balaji, Rohan, Southern Boy, Trader Soup, Paul Profits, Peter Green, Mean Reversion, Adam, Scorpio, Mike, Nizio, Chad. Amazing. All right, everyone's here. Let's get straight into the charts. We are 3 minutes into Frankfurt Open here. So let's not waste any more time. So pretty much, I mean, this is what I was waiting to see the daily look something like this. So all of this run up on NASDAQ we had from pretty much 20th of May, day after day, new all-time highs being broken, bullish candles being printed. And then finally, we are seeing some sort of correction to the downside. Friday the 5th obviously provided that sell-off. And today we have CPI news as well. Today's happy CPI Friday. CPI Wednesday, everybody. So we are expecting some volatility in the markets later today. That is 8:30 New York time. But right now, to talk about this daily candle, we have a bearish current daily candle. Daily open is sitting at that is 29,094. Right now we're trading below 29,000. So that's wild, because the last I was on here with you guys, we were pretty much almost at like 31,000 on NQ. Now we are trading back below 29,000. So it has been some sort of down move and correction. I mean, I'm looking at areas to the downside that I'd be targeting if I was in short today is definitely that previous day low, that wick that was left behind from yesterday. Previous day low is sitting at 28,227. That's definitely an area of price I would expect us to draw into. Wicks like this definitely have done the damage here as well, sweeping out these equal lows. So but potentially we are getting this continuation to the downside, and that would be a very clean target, I think, for myself today. Beyond that, Asia low has already been swept. Well, my Asia low anyway. So with that being said, it would not shock me if London does provide some sort of pullback, and then New York, we head back further down, expansion to the downside, and continue this bearish run that we're currently on. Obviously, this move from New York, what a sell-off we had as well. This was all triggered by Iran and Trump. Now there is now potentially conflict is starting to I don't know what's happening there, but we did have supposedly Iran shoot down American across, so I'm not sure what is to happen there. But we do have to be cautious when trading, that there can be just random news happen, and especially when it comes to Trump, like, you just never know. But if you caught these sells, amazing, well done. That was a crazy bearish run yesterday in New York. But for now, definitely keeping an eye on the fact that Asia low has been swept. Targets to the upside, if we were to take a long and take the reversal today, is Asia high is 29,169. That's a level I'm looking at. But beyond that, I'm going to wait and see if I do get a... Let's just change those settings. Okay, so I did miss some sort of buy there, but nothing clean for me yet. So currently, the way I like to trade anyway is using the 4-hour, and currently we have an inside 4-hour candle. So previous 4-hour high and low have not been swept. So because of that, I am neutral right now, waiting to have a sweep of that previous 4-hour high or low, and then I will take my reaction off that. But right now, previous 4-hour high is looking like we could be heading into that level, and that is 29,046. So I'm waiting patiently, but I would prefer to be on the side of bears, given that we are just in this looking like we want to have a bearish sell-off sort of week. All right, now I can get to the chat. All right, Roman's put a poll in there. I am bullish today and hit the like. I'm bearish today and hit the like. Yes, by the way, speaking of hitting the likes, we will of course do giveaways as usual. I'm gonna set it easy. I'm gonna say 300 likes will bring Nick on, and 400 likes will do the first giveaway. I think you guys can easily smash that. So 300 for Nick, 400 for the giveaway, and we will give some accounts away. Okay, now guys, you have to catch me up. What is everyone, how's everyone's trading been? I think there's definitely been some volatile markets, definitely some clean moves. You guys definitely could have been trading. I personally, once I moved to Greece, I sort of took the week off just to settle in. There was a whole lot of running around I had to do, and also just took some time to chill out. And so I'm back. This is my first official full session trading, the London session, in like a week. So I did take probably the longest time off trading I've ever taken. And I do miss it. You guys know, it's like we're all addicts. It's hard to take even a day off sometimes, but Nickster is live. Can you please show what indicator this is? This one that I have two currently on my chart. One is the sessions and key levels by Script Edge. That's this one here. You can get it if you just go sessions. Oh no. Oh, why is that in caps? Sessions and key levels. Nope, that's not it. It's this one, the Script Edge one, that plots all my daily opens, the Asia high, Asia low, and any of your basic just like sessions and key levels pretty much. That's that one. And then that's just my own indicator I had personally developed. So with a Pine Script developer. So it just basically visualizes the way I like to trade using the 4-hour 15 alignment. Roman says blame Starlink if something goes right, but also blame Starlink if something goes wrong, because right now we're relying on Starlink. Mean Reflection says I thought Greece was a permanent move. Oh, it is. No, it 100% is a permanent move. I am like officially a Greek, you could say. I'm living here full time. Lucky wants to Celine, when will we get MTV Crib episode? One day. Maybe we'll have a IRL MTV Crib tour. Bogdan says, hello, Deshaun. Where has Deshaun been? Has he been in the chat since that time he won an account? But guys, let me know, are you in any trades? Tell me if you guys are in trades right now. For me, I'm staying out of this. I won previous 4-hour high sweep, and then I won shorts off that level, so I'm staying out. Welcome to Europe. Thank you. I know a lot of you are Europe-based, so it's good finally to be in this time zone. But it is weird, I must say. It is actually so weird to be in a time zone where I'm trading first thing in the morning. Like, it's 9 a.m. for me here. That is ridiculous, because usually I'm trading at like 4 p.m, afternoon, like 3 p.m. That's my London session, and the New York session is like midnight. You guys know I was always complaining about not being able to trade New York session, and now New York session is like something like 5, 6 p.m. here. I don't know. It's just a weird, I'm still adjusting to the times and trading at these hours, like, but it's good. It's good. I like it. I can have my session out of the way in the morning and then go to the beach, go on with my day. Hey, Kayla. Mr. Mojo says, I'm in longs. Nice. Okay, longs are looking nice. If you've been in them from around, once we swept out this level, 850s, it's a nice long into the previous 4 hour high. I would have taken this off the 5 minute had I been prepared. This 5 minute inversion looks nice. Displaced candle, stops at the low, and then targeting previous 4 hour high off there. Well, we shall see what NQ wants to deliver today. Santana Fleek says, I'm in a paper trade. I blew my first live account. No, not the first live account. I feel for you, but you know what? You're doing the best thing by switching to paper trading, because at least you can still feel like you're trading, but you're not actually putting any money at risk. So you obviously know what you're doing, but don't do that again. But it does happen. Sue says, that's like me for NY session. It's 6:30 a.m. Whoa, 6:30 a.m. for a New York session is wild. I could never. 6:30 in the morning, my brain is not developed enough to be trading at those hours. I need sleep. Wizard Trades, how long are you in Greece? I'm in Greece until I say so. Pretty much I'm here indefinitely, forever. Santana says, I took the longs on the bottom, risking 100 on this one. Lol, but yeah, it hurts. Well, the longs are playing out, so well done for that. But it hurts. Losing a live account, there's nothing worse. TF changes, what IFVG do you consider for entry only after some sweep? I consider the first fair value gap inversion after the 15-minute low sweep. So if we go here to the 5 minute, actually, you know what? New York had a clean play. I'm going to go to New York session yesterday. The time was Tuesday at like 10. Let me check. Okay, this is what I mean. So basically, after there's the sweep of the previous 15-minute high, well, I like to put settings in here as well, so that I only usually want to look at an FVG size of at least 1 point, because anything smaller than that is usually not considered to be a strong enough, for me anyway, a strong enough gap to fill, sort of thing. So once we had this inversion print, you can see we had swept out previous 15-minute high. Previous 4 hour high has already been swept. And then you have, I'll go to the 4 hours so you can see that. So that's the previous 4 hour high. You can see we have traded above that. That for me is a sweep, the moment we're trading above previous 4 hour high. And then I'm just looking for that little reaction on the 15 minute once we've swept a previous 15-minute high. And then the reaction off the 1 minute. Once all of those levels have been swept, I'm looking for this bearish down move. And then that ended up being a really nice sell into daily, I think, for the rest of the session, to be honest. Yeah. That was just a continuous sell-off. So yeah, that is pretty much the model. So it is the first FVG that prints after the sweep. I wait for that to be inverted. I'm moving to Gold Coast or Brisbane soon for studies. Oh, okay. So some of you moving to Australia whilst I'm leaving Australia. Wow. But Gold Coast is meant to be really, and Brisbane especially, I've heard amazing things. I've personally never been, but the weather is supposed to be amazing, and all the restaurants and the city is really nice. Good morning, Mr. Solo Leveling. Santana, I got stopped out on the shorts. I'll just be watching you guys for now. Second day here. Good luck. Hey, well, welcome. Happy second day of Tradeify TV and welcome. But sounds like, Santana, you know what you're doing. You know when to step away from the markets. This is something that takes a lot of people a lot of time. I don't know how long you've been trading, but knowing, when you've been stopped out of a position, knowing when to step back and not trade anymore is definitely a really big skill to learn. And it took me a while to learn that. And sometimes I honestly still struggle. Wizard says, that was a nice setup. I got a portion of it. Amazing. Yeah, who caught the shorts in NY yesterday in the morning session? Pro says, can we do a giveaway and never win? We do giveaways here every single day on Tradeify TV. So one of these days, if probability plays out, you can win. You just have to keep entering. It's costs you nothing. Just put your name in and you never know. Today could be that lucky day. Wesley says, got to move to South Goldie. North Goldie sucks. Burley and South. Okay, there you go, Wesley. I have honestly never been. So I don't know the difference between North and South Gold Coast, but like all I hear is they have beautiful beaches, good weather, good food. Morning, what's the code for the accounts? That is just for today. Telmos, I'm not entirely sure. Andrew, how long do you plan to stay in Greece? Forever. Guys, you didn't hear me like in the lead up to this saying I'm moving to Greece? It's a full move. I moved everything. I even had to ship some of my things over from Melbourne here. They're still on the boat. AG Trader says giveaway is rigged. I'm done trading. AG Trader, I swear you have won before. But maybe I'm lying. But I do. I feel like I remember your name coming out and winning. Santana, when we do the giveaway, we'll put a giveaway form in the chat, and then you'll just have to put your usernames in there, and then we will spin the wheel. It's totally random. Girl says it's just a background change for AI Celine. No, I wish. I've literally traveled halfway across the world and I'm now in a new location. You guys think I just changed my background, but I physically did get up and move. I am not AI. This is a real permanent move. Trust me, if you saw me after that 30-something hour flight, you would know I am definitely a real person. Tim Trades, welcome to Europe. Thank you, Tim. I'm so happy we decided to move as well in June because the weather has been so nice. It's the perfect beach weather, perfect just being outside. Like it's not too hot. It's like 25 to 30 degrees max. But it's just a really nice, like the nights get to like a low 20s. It's just perfect. Really, really nice. Kayla says, blew my funded because I was so sure of short, but got in too heavy too early. I couldn't stand the drawdown, lack of preparation. Oh, Kayla, sometimes it's the worst being right about the direction, but then being too early. It's happened to me so many times, but the best part is if you go in not size too heavy, you can afford to take that loss, wait again for that setup to appear, and then get in the shorts again, because that way you're not risking your full account just on one trade being right, because chances are, I mean, no one has 100% hit rate, right? So it's a very low chance that you're going to hit it all in that one trade. But sometimes we do have to lose an account to learn these things. It's sometimes like you have to learn the hard way. And then you won't do it again. Pro says, I've been waiting for this live stream for 4 hours. I've been sat staring at the waiting room. Okay, that is dedication. Pro, I applaud you for that dedication, but we cannot just give accounts away. You're going to have to wait until we do the giveaway. The fair way that we do every single day. Rick Mendes, which area of Greece mainland? Thessaloniki is the city, the main city. Marakat King says, it's funny how Brits would say Americans couldn't deal with British heat. Now their soccer players are crashing out in the US heat. Wait, what's the temperature over there for the World Cup? Are they going to be playing? Wait, what is the... America doesn't get that hot, does it? Oh, that's 36 degrees. in the US? Wait, that is really hot. The English soccer players are going to struggle in that heat, for sure. Jesse says, do you ever fund your own account or just use prop firms? Nope, I'm just using prop firms. I mean, prop firms are the best, guys. While they're here, you need to rinse them. Let me say that. Gulshan says, a lot of learning for the last 6 months. Thanks for educating. Much appreciated. Oh, Gulshan, I appreciate that. You know, some people I know want to come in here and we have fun half the time, but we do try to keep it real. We try to keep it serious here and actually help new traders and try to educate. I mean, I'm no expert, but I appreciate you. I'm glad you've learned something here in the last 6 months. This is why we do what we do. 38 degrees in South Texas? That is so... What the... I never knew America got that hot. I'll be honest. Almost 40 degrees. Is there even... Okay, this is going to sound so dumb, but do you guys have like a beach in southern Texas? I have never been. Like, what do you guys do in the heat there? Texas and Florida gets super hot. Yeah, but at least Florida has like the water. Southwest USA is a desert. Oh my god. That's too hot for me. Kayla says, respect props and rinse them. Well, I think you said rinse. Yep, I said rinse. Rinse prop firms, guys. Fried chicken says the office is still the same even after the moving. It is pretty much the same. I mean, I have a new chair. This chair is so comfortable, by the way. New chair. And I have my... This is just a temporary plant and my light, of course, but different light. I didn't carry all this stuff, obviously, with me halfway across the world because you just can't. And I had like 60 kilos I had to travel with as well. So when there's weight limits, obviously there's priorities, and the light and the plant in Melbourne just, it was not at the top of the list. Graf says, hey Celine, good to see you after so many days. I know, guys, it is so much, it's so good being back, honestly. I'm not gonna say never, but taking a week off, it was a long time. I miss trading. I miss you guys. Did you try to say hottest place on earth is in USA, Death Valley? It can't get hotter than that. Wait, now I'm learning something from you guys. So wait, the hottest place on earth is actually in the US? Are you guys trolling? Phantom Trade Celine, do you do coaching by any chance for trading? Actually, I don't. No. That's interesting. Sometimes on here, I do probably try add my little helping. I mean, I give advice on here sometimes, but that's what I usually come from a place of that's what I would have liked to have known from when I started trading. I'm not an expert, and it's probably almost up to my 3rd year come October. So I'm still learning as well, but definitely the psychological stuff when it comes to trading is something I could talk for days on, because it's just something I took so much time into learning and getting right. And I think it is like 90% of what trading is. 90% psychology and 10% is actual like analysis. Bogdan says, did you miss me, Colleen? Of course I missed you, Bogdan. Of course. Okay, now you guys are schooling me on the hottest place in the world thing. Hottest places in Kuwait. All right, let's just Google this. Why are we guessing? Hottest place on earth. Death Valley. 56 degrees. That is wild. No wonder they call it Death Valley. Nope, you guys are wrong. It is whoever the guy that told me it was Death Valley is correct. That's the hottest place on earth. Kiz, good morning, Kiz. How are you? How was the move? Kiz, the move was actually pretty smooth. I mean, we shipped a few of our like extras like winter sort of stuff earlier. So then when it came to just traveling by plane, we only took like the majority of our stuff was like summer clothes, shoes, and all that. But it was easy. It was actually super easy. We got here just over 27 hours. I don't know. I think it would have been like a 30-hour flight, but it was super easy. 2 stopovers. Didn't really have too much jet lag, which I was really worried about, having really bad jet lag. But I don't know. Something about the sun in Greece. I've been awake, getting up pretty early every day and barely feeling tired. Kayla says people always say psychology. What does that actually mean to you? Okay, that's an interesting question. That's true. Like psychology is such a broad general term when it comes to trading, like psychology making up 90%. But I really think like psychology in trading relates more to your discipline, how disciplined you can be in your mind. And that comes down to how much you risk, when you know to take off your risk, when you know to close a position, when you know to enter a position, the discipline not to enter the position when it's not your setup, like discipline. I think that is the majority of when we talk psychology and trading. It comes down to that. That's my take on it anyway. I think discipline is at the crux of that. Says, the jet lag coming over here is easy. It's the jet lag going from here to Australia that is hard. Oh, is it? Okay, there must be something about it then. I honestly did not feel any jet lag coming here, but I'm not looking forward to when I eventually do go back to Australia having that jet lag then, because that's bad. There's nothing worse. Lucky Mon says, I miss Hannah popping into the chat already. Hannah, I left behind in Melbourne. No, she is nowhere near the internet. We will never have Hannah destroy the internet again. I doubt with that. Mario Kart King, I missed you guys too. He says, I'm so glad you guys are back. I popped into the stream once or twice last week and it just wasn't the same. Aww. Guys, we are so back. Also, Nick will be joining us in 30 minutes as well. So we're going to have so much fun. A full 3-hour London session stream. We're back. And with that, we do need 300 likes to bring Nick on as usual. Let me make sure I still have his intro all here, by the way, because it's been a long time. 300 likes for Nick, and then we will do 400 likes to the first giveaway. Hannah will always be remembered. Hashtag justice for Hannah. You guys are hilarious. Phantom Trans, what attracted you to the strategy that you use now out of all trading strategies? How did you know this was the one for you? Okay, another great question. For me, I know the way I learned trading. So I learned through watching ICT videos, yes. And I use ICT concepts, but I wanted a strategy that used reversals. So I'm really one of those traders that struggles to long at the highs and struggles to sell when we're at the lows. So I obviously knew I wanted some sort of reversal model. With that, I wanted to look for areas of price that are on a higher time frame that I can capture a quick reversal off on a lower time frame. And I first started with just trading the 4-hour, and then I didn't find as many setups. So then I knew myself as I prefer trading a 1-minute time frame because I can just get more setups in a day, in a week, and also price action obviously just moves quicker on the 1 minute. So I find that myself, for some people that's way too quick trading on the 1 minute, but for me that's even sometimes too slow. But anyway, I decided on the 1 minute for executions, and then I went up from there, and the 4-hour and the 15 and the 2 time frames that align really nicely. You can get a good read of the 1 minute using the 15 and the 15 using the 4-hour and so forth. Like they all connect, 4-hour, 15, 1. So then I found that through backtesting a bit this model, it was much cleaner using the 4-hour and the 15-minute when they both have a sweep, and then just try to play that immediate reaction reversal on the 1 minute. And that's basically why. So I knew those sort of things about myself, being a 1 minute trader, having it to be a reversal, and picking points in price like a 4-hour high or a session high as a clean reversal point, and then adding a bit of structure in the model as well to make sure that it is a little bit more mechanical than just, okay, I think we're going to short from here, going short. So I decided to add a little bit more structure and framework with it. Drops trades, just lose your internet. We'll see Nick in 2 minutes. Lol. No, my internet is not going anywhere today, guys. I am strong. Strong signals out here with Starlink. We're all good. Anoop says, what other strategies do you trade, Celine? Right now, I mainly trade this London session reversal model that you guys see me trade. And then also in New York session, it's a similar way I trade. It's just that I use more entry criteria. Like I can enter on in different ways. So for example, you guys will see me always take the inversion on the 1 minute in the London session. Sometimes in New York, I will use more of a pullback because sometimes we can get 2 candles and we just pump 100 points and I'm just not willing to put that risk on. So I wait for a pullback, for example, into a 1 minute FVG and then trade off that. So my stop isn't as large. Yeah, things like that. Basically, not always looking for the 4-hour sweep in New York session as well. Looking for a reaction at sometimes the London session low, like a session sweep instead of just the 4-hour sweep. So I'm a little bit more flexible in the New York session. That's the only difference with the way I trade the London session. Morning, Amia. It's good to see the OGs are here. Actually, where's Leia? Speaking of OGs. Tim Trades, you have Starlink now? Yes, I got Starlink. Starlink saved the day. I was panicking a little bit here. Look, you guys have full bragging rights to tell me you guys were right. Well, Nick as well. Nick, if you're listening, I will allow it on this topic because he did say I'm going to struggle with internet when I move to Greece, and he was right. I'll give him that. But we found a solution. So it's all good. And Durkee says, overtrading, oversizing, revenge trading, high watermark effect, all mistakes of weak trading psychology. Yep, you hit it right on the head. These are all, we were talking about psychology like 5 minutes ago, but these are all the parts that in terms of discipline, if you don't have the discipline to not take that trade, that is all part of it. The revenge, the oversizing, all of that. Carla says, I'm in such a weird place in trading. I see swing trade ideas, but my psychology only allows me to scalp. Then I get sad when I get out too easy. She said, I meant early. So I think, Kayla, what you have to do is start to implement some sort of a stricter model for profit taking. Because if you have no plan for when you want to get out of the trade, then you're gonna see some green candles and then okay, you want to take it off. But if you have a plan, like I'm only going to take off at 2R or at this key level, then there's no chance that you can get involved there because you're giving it a strict profit target. And if it doesn't get there, then you're not taking it off. Also have a strict break-even plan as well. If it gets to a certain level, like for me, you guys hear me talk about this all the time, but for me, it's 1-to-1 is a profit of my first profit taking area. Then I go to break even at 1-to-1 and then I let the rest run. So I'm not getting involved at any point to close the trade early because I've already taken profits off and then I'm not involved in the rest. So I'm either going to break even on the rest or I'm going to make more. But at the end of the day, profit has been locked in at some point. And I think that would really help you, Kayla, like setting in some sort of strict profit taking system. For sure. That way you're not in your mind trying to like just take it off because you think price isn't gonna, hold. At least take some off the table and cover your stop. Go break even. Santana 2 cons is helping me trail better. Yeah, it depends. It depends how you guys like to trade. Like if you are scalpers, I think better to go in heavy and then because you're obviously trying to get in and out of the market quicker. But I definitely prefer trading multiple contracts because I like to partial out now. I decided a few months ago, I changed that about the way I was trading the London session, taking out partials at 1-to-1, covering my stop and then letting the rest run because that came from, again, where we always have to keep adapting, being flexible with these markets. Things are always changing. And something I realized was that I was missing out on a lot of the move because I was just taking my full profits at 1-to-1, 1-to-1.5, and then missing a whole move. So I went and did some back testing, and then at the end of the day, like, back testing isn't going to give you a full picture. So I did just start to forward test it and trade it in real markets. And it was working much better for me. I was taking more profits off the table, covering my trade still, like not taking more losses, because I would go break even at that same place I would have taken full profit off. So it was only upside. I was just being able to capture more of the move by doing that. Diamond says, yes, secure the bag. Oh, always secure the bag every day. Amia, I'm a bit late, Celine. Sorry, what's your daily bias? I'm expecting us to see a bit more of the bears come out, Amia, to put it simply. I like this wick to the downside, previous day low, as the level that we hit now, only because of how we have shifted. This Friday's bearish candle was so, like, we took out, pretty much wiped out all of this move from May 20th in one Friday. So, I mean, it's quite heavy. Being that is a daily print as well. So I expect us to keep dropping here. I have previous day low marked out, and then maybe we are going to correct and take back. I mean, would it be crazy to get back down to 22,000? I think so. This is the daily chart, so it is, I don't know. I'm definitely looking at bears the previous day low and then potentially sweep, and we keep on bullish on the daily chart. But previous day low is going to be a good indicator. How do we react at that level? Because if we are just going to keep closing in these strong bearish candles over every previous day's low, then I'm going to be more inclined to think we are going to continue to drop. But we'll see. Right now, we are waiting for a sweep of previous 4-hour high. There is potential to sweep up into Asia high as well, but I'm more on the side of bears, as per usual. And I'm so annoyed I wasn't trading Friday, because that was such a clean short. Oh, Leah! Leah's in the chat, everyone. And she says, OMG, my darling friends, it feels like forever. It really does, Leah. I was saying when I got onto the stream today, it feels like I've been away for a month. It's only been a week, but I feel like I've missed out on so much. Pretty much missed out on the entire finals round of the Grand Cup as well, which that was such an exciting and hectic, chaotic end to the Grand Cup, with Sputnik almost making it through to the last two, which is wild. The underdog. Drop Straight says, another $100 and I pass another eval. I trade my funded in New York session. Let's go, Gramps. Let's go. Another $100 is not, you're very close to passing. So, I mean, don't be risking it all in one trade. Go slow. But sounds like you're almost there. So here's more Iran strikes on US targets just reported. Oh no. I didn't see the markets reacting to that. Let's see if there's anything on Financial Juice. I feel like that's fake news. I don't have anything on my Financial Juice that says that. It mustn't be an official report, guys. Be careful, because there would be a lot of people just trying to spook the markets and put out fake headlines. And if it's not from a legitimate source, and clearly NQ is not moving, like we've had some sort of major news drop, then don't trust it. Oh, Leia, feels the same. We sold our place yesterday. Wait, where are you moving to, Leia? That's exciting. Diamond Z says, who won? All right, let's quickly have a look. This is the final jewel of the Grand Cup, which just finished. So we had Afro Miyagi. He ended up taking the win with 64,000, which is quite a lot. He made 14K. And his opponent, sadly, they're eliminated with 54,000. So well done, Afro Miyagi. I don't know if he's a London session watcher, viewer. No, I don't know. I don't think the username is familiar. But if you are watching, amazing, amazing. Well done. Congratulations. That is a huge win. And I can't wait for Grand Cup 3.0. Oh, Rick Mendes says 150K select pass yesterday. Let's go. Alan, I see a comment. If you message me one more time, I will just block you out of here, kick you out. You don't need to. I will get to everyone's comments when I can, but you don't need to be spamming. Alan, your question was, which indicator do you use for Asia High and Daily High, Celine? And he said Celine and then at Celine. You didn't even tag it right. Okay, so pretty much the sessions and key levels indicator here. This is plotting my Asia levels. So I look at the Asia session from 6 to midnight. Don't ask. I know a lot of you have issues with that. And then my daily high, my previous level. So for me, I only flick on the previous day high and low. That's what I have here. You can toggle that on and off. And then my current day's level. So I only look at the daily's open level. But you can look at the current day's high, current day's low, current day mid, and all these levels in this indicator. This is the one. Amir, Celine, tell us about your trades your last week we bagged. Amir, don't. I missed out on so much great price action, but I was taking a break, an intentional break, because I did just move across the world. So I wanted to just relax, be with family, and just enjoy the sun because, you know, it's good sometimes to take a break. We're all addicts and it's hard, but it's good as well to just take a break. Jump in the beach, and do fun stuff every now and then. So I did not trade Amir, so I did miss out on some great price action. But Amir, you probably bagged. Do you want to tell us about the trades last week that you took? I'm sure you probably bagged. Morning, Ursula. The OGs are here now. Okay, Leia says we will live in the new house until our boys move out. So another 20 years. Okay, wait, where did you move to? Did I miss you say? Leia, where are you moving to? Are you still... Oh, she said from an apartment to a house. Oh, beautiful. Sizing up. That's so exciting. So you have all the fun house stuff to do as well. House hunting, house shopping. I love all that stuff. Decorating a new house. That's the fun part. Gershon says, love to enjoy Nick, Celine, and Potato Man. Fun trading banter. Kudos to Spudnik for an amazing cup. Yeah, you got to give him that. He did carry us. He carried the Tradeify name all the way to that almost final. He did really well for us. So good on you, Spuddy. Deering markets are Celine. GC price action is much cleaner and tradable. Please take a look if you trade gold. That is a good point. I have not looked at gold today. You know, gold is usually my secondary asset, but I have not been getting clean moves. Okay, there you go. There is a short I would have been in. So that would have been, if we replay this. So once there was a previous 4-hour high and ended up also being the 15-minute high sweep, I'm waiting for that first inversion to be confirmed with the displaced candle. So that is a clean gold short I would have taken. I would have taken off at 1-to-1 and then letting the rest run probably to this initial consolidation from around where Asia low is sitting. We'll see. I will be having a bit of FOMO if that ends up dropping all the way down to this initial consolidation. That is clean. Entry would have been, stop would have been 8 points on that. And then not even quite 1-to-1 yet. So we'll see. I'll keep an eye on gold. Maybe gold wants to be cleaner than NQ today. We still have no sweep yet of that previous 4-hour high or low. So I'm not interested in taking anything yet. Drop Stray says, I told Sputnik if he won, I was going to Chicago to give him a jug of ketchup. Well, Jump Straight, Spud getting married soon. How about you two? Do you and your fiancés plan on getting married soon too? Yes, Spud is getting married soon. Actually, a few. It's interesting. There, like, since joining Tradeify, apparently there's been like 3 weddings and like 2 engagements. I don't know. It's crazy, but yes, next year. Next year is a big day. Amir says that's a W2. Best thing in the world is to spend time with family. If we have the same strat and it was we have the same strat and it was really good last week and I took some W's. Amir, I'm so happy you took the W's. At least one of us was taking W's, Amir. At least one of us. Jacob says, where is that Congo man telling us what's... Yes, where is Francisco from the Congo? Francisco, if you're here, we need to know. Up or down on NQ today? Cyriliki, Celine, now I can't ask you about lunch. That is true. Cyriliki, no more lunch. It's 9:48 a.m. for me, yeah, so I only get to have a quick breakfast and then I jump on stream, so no more, sadly. What did I have? Oh, for breakfast, I had, anyway, if you'd like to know, Cyriliki, I had yogurt and granola. Fried chicken says, so are you now trading New York AM, Greek Celine? Greek Celine. Yes, I am. I'm able to trade New York AM because it's around like 5 p.m. for me. But same goes, if I have a good London session, I don't usually want to get back on the charts for the New York session and risk giving it all back. So I will only trade New York. At least it's there now as an option. I can trade New York if I want, but if I've had a good win in London session, I'd rather just take the day off, enjoy the day, go to the beach or something. And Izzy says, yeah, that dude is a goat. Which dude? Oh, Francisco. Francisco is the goat. We need to know, where is Francisco from the Congo? Market King says, we could always just ask Roman up or down. That's true. Roman is a market maker. We have proven that a few times here. Welcome back, Colleen. Thank you, Picamp. Thank you. Good to be back. And Izzy says, has anyone seen Deshaun? No, but I am constantly looking for Deshaun, so if anyone sees him, can you tell him I say hi? Fried chicken says he called the dump. Congo man called the dump? Wait. For real? This gets even scarier. He called Friday's dump, or like which dump? Yesterday's? Justice for Deshaun. BMW, Celine, do you prefer daily or flex payout option? I'm trading with the Tradeify growth accounts, but the select daily for me, I prefer. I mean, daily payouts. What more could you ask for? Tim Trace says, Congo called the 109 dump at NY Open and the rip. Wow, that guy is a market maker. We need him in the London session to come back and tell us. Good morning to Thierry Henry. He says all of them, he's like psychic or something. That's wild. Kiz, what? So apparently the Congo man called the Friday dump and New York session dump. GFG says, bro, Celine, you sick? No. Do I sound blocked? I mean, maybe. I didn't have like bad jet lag symptoms, but potentially... Cheeseball says, yeah, sounds a little sick. Damn, okay, maybe I am. Maybe I do have a bit of a cold. Not that I knew about, though, but it probably is a bit of the jet lag symptoms coming on. Oh, I really hope I don't get hit with jet lag now, like a week later. Morning, M&Qs, all the OGs. You sound like you have a cold. Wow, that's wild because I'm in like 30-degree weather. Oh, Andrea says the same. Okay, guys. See, I can breathe. I'm not that blocked. Maybe I am a little bit sick. I don't know. If you guys can deal with it. GFG says, what's jet lag? I'm too poor to know. You're just trolling, GFG. I know, you know. Celine, you speak Greek yet? Mathenoligo. Mathenoligo. Polydiscala. You're from Bangkok, Matt Scalps. Project the Celine's nose made an appearance. All right, guys, I'm going to quickly check. We don't have long until we need to see those like numbers for Nick to come on. What are we at? Let's see. Guys, we're at 200 likes and we need 300 to bring Nick on. So we need 100 likes in 10 minutes. Can we do it? I think we can. Go and smash the like button if you're just joining, because if we get to 300, I will bring on my co-host. If not, it'll just be me for 3 hours and you'll have to deal with my blocked nose. But if you also get to 400, we will do the first giveaway. So go and smash the like button and then we'll bring Nick and the giveaway up. How is Greece so far? It's been great. I've been here only a week officially, and I have done a lot of relaxing, a lot of beach days, also a bit of running around, because when you move countries, it is a whole thing. But what can I say? Everything is beautiful here. The internet, the internet is a struggle in some places in Greece. I will say that. If you're thinking about moving here, have something in place for the internet. But the great thing is we have Starlink now, so it's all fixed. Drop Straight says, yeah, I have jet lag too. I got a beer in my other hand. What? Inizio says, see money. Will we be seeing any ice cream or food vlogs from Greece soon? I mean, if you guys want, we totally can. I would love to show you guys around some of these amazing food places, but we'll see. Let me get settled in first. Let me do a bit of food tasting first. I got to test some more places out, and then I'll take you to my favorite places. I definitely have an ice cream shop for sure. Okay, fast forward. Good morning, Celine. It's been a minute. How are you? Were the flowers delivered? How is Thanos? Thanos is doing great. Yeah, I live next door to Thanos and Zeus and Hercules and all of them. They're just right around the corner. Did you move to Greece? Yes, I moved to Greece. I am now officially a Greek. Nick, there he is. Nick is in the chat. He says, can he show us around the paddle courts? Ugh, shut up, Nick. You know what? There are multiple paddle courts here in the city, and I am, I'm going to be their newest member, so you'll see. I'm going to start my training very soon. I took last week off, I'll be honest, Nick, but you just wait. Cannot wait. Guys, if you don't know, we are going to be having a paddle tournament in November, Nick and I. And we're finally going to get the answer on who is a better paddle player. And I think we all know who that is, but we'll see. How are the kebabs in Greece? You mean the souvlakis? They are great. All the food here so far that I've had is amazing. Every single place. Samisa Celine, did you trade yesterday during London? If yes, what was the entry? No, I didn't. I did not. I was running around all of the... Basically, I got on with Roman, guys. This is what happened yesterday morning. I got on with Roman. I was ready to go. And then basically, for like 5-10 minutes, we tried to get the lag to we tried lots of different things. And basically, there was nothing that was helping my internet. And all I was looking at was my face was a really pixelated, blurry, like from like, I don't even know, ancient times before technology existed. It was really bad. You guys would not have wanted to look at the stream like that. So I got off and then I ran around basically all of Greece trying to find an internet option for me. And so I didn't trade the London session. So after all the running around, I finally got Starlink and now we're here. Celine, how many people called Nick have you already met already? Wait, what? Well, the only other Tradeify Nick is Sputnik, and I have met him. But to answer your question, Mo, I don't think many others. Good morning, CMA. Isilda, how many likes for the first giveaway? We need 400 for the first giveaway and 300 to bring Nick on, and we have 5 minutes left before we bring Nick on here. I know you guys are excited, but we have to get the likes up. We have to do the work. What's the currency over there? Rupees? Danny Trades, have you ever traveled? It's euros. Obviously. We use the euros in Greece. Is it Nick a popular Greek name? Oh, I see what you mean. No, you know what? In Thessaloniki, Dimitri is a very common name. Everybody is Dimitri here. Trader Nico and Celine, wait, you had no internet? Did Hannah move with you? No, guys, I left Hannah behind. I left Hannah in Melbourne. That's why I was shocked when the internet was failing me yesterday because, I mean, Hannah's not here taking up all the bandwidth. So what's going on? But somehow she probably did hack it. Pokemon Trader, what part of Greece do you live in? In Thessaloniki. Did Greece recover from the recession? Yes, Picamp. Yes, Greece economy is doing very well. The true question is the internet good enough to play Mario Kart? Oh, you know what, Nick? I actually don't have the Switch out. It's packed away. But I bet it would be. Oh, would it be too hard to get? All right, let's work on that. I think I can have it set up for tomorrow's stream. But 100%, I've got Starlink now. It would be fine. Yes, now we can finally then unpack it. Okay. I have to work out how I'm going to do this. No, I don't even know where it would be. It's somewhere in a suitcase somewhere. I'm going to need packed away sus. No, guys, you know me by now. I would want nothing more than to verse Nick in Mario Kart. But I'll be honest, I was not prepared today. So give me a day. I will have it set up for tomorrow. Please, guys. I really want to verse him. You know that. All right. I'm going to check on the likes because we are 2 minutes away. It's almost that time. Okay. Nick gave me until Friday. I know. He's just being a dictator and he's trying to force me to play now, but the official day is Friday here. So I have some time. All right, I'm going to check right now. We are sitting on 275 likes. If you guys get 15 more likes. No, I did the math wrong. 25 more likes. We will bring Nick on. And I see him. The white team man himself. He's back. London session is back, chat. Come on. We need almost 20 likes to bring him on. I'm being strict. I'm being harsh. Let's go. You can do it. All right, I'm going to do a quick refresh. What are we at? 291. Okay. 9 more. I'm going to get the intro ready. The intro is being prepared. Okay. All right, I'm ready, chat. Let's see. Did we hit the like count? Wait for it. 296. Okay. 4 more likes and I will bring him on. 4 more likes. Let's go. Go. 302. Okay, we smashed it. Done. All right, guys. It's that time. I've missed this. Wow, it's been like a whole week. Let's go. It is the whitey wearing, hand ever moving, GP trading, biohacking, Mewtwo catching, stay with ketchup abusing, sample trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mega sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery sock walking, no prep marathon running, dictator, doomsday strategy inventing, Mario Kart, thrice humiliated, the 91% no stop loss win rate, once baited, this Sean, the one and only no stop loss butcher. Good morning.
Good morning! What's up, everybody? How we doing?
Hey.
Hey, Celine, I missed the London gang. I'm happy you're back. Everybody, there is one and only one reason to put a big fat one in the chat. And that reason is the London gang is back. So put those ones in the chat. Come on now. There you go. Let's go. Celine, how was your move? How are you doing?
It's been good. I was just saying I actually did not get much jet lag, but apparently now the chat is saying I sound a bit sick. So maybe it's like it's gonna come out now, like a week later officially. But it was a smooth move, honestly. 2 stops, stopped over in Bangkok, stopped over in Istanbul, Turkey, and then landed in Greece.
2 stops.
Yeah, 2 stops. Yeah, it was a whole thing, to be honest, that flight. But I got there, I made it, and since being here, perfect weather, everything has been great, Nick, except this friggin' internet. But I dealt with it. Okay, we don't have to talk about it.
Who would have thought?
I know. You did warn me, but it was a quick solution. It was just Starlink. We got set up yesterday.
You got it now, so you're good.
I'm all good. Yes.
You are good, lady.
Yes, I'm good. But yeah, it was good. And on your side of now we're much closer, but on your side of Europe, how's it going in Switzerland?
Switzerlandia is very good. Very good. Switzerland's always good. Nah, actually, it's rainy now, so. By the way, Roman, let's go to my screen because I'm in a trade. I'm in a trade. I'll zoom in for you guys so you can see what we're doing.
Longs?
Yeah.
So I see you're still up to the same old no stop loss as usual.
Duh.
Nothing has changed.
Nah.
Hey, Grand Cup. Actually, you did pretty good in that Grand Cup.
Hey, look, my goal was to be the best outlaw. I didn't hit that goal. Unfortunately, Sputnik was the best outlaw.
Yes.
If you calculate my profit, I was second. However, my second priority.
You weren't the best. Let's leave it there. You were not the best outlaw.
My priority was to, if I do get knocked out, like never have a red day, and I never had a red day. So the other guy just made more. So that's all right. At least I didn't get knocked out with like a fucking $10,000 loss or something like that.
Oh yeah, no, I did not want
so we good. But I would have liked to get further in the cup. I got knocked out in round 4.
Still pretty good. Still decent.
I collected my $1,250 today.
Nice.
At least something. But I'm not happy with my performance. I would have wanted to go at least 7 rounds. So
yeah, my issue was on the Friday. I think that was round 3, and I was out at a friend's, because obviously that was like my last Friday being in Melbourne, so I had a lot of people to catch up and see before we left. And we were at a friend's house, and then that New York session open I'd missed because I wasn't home in time. So then by the time I got home, I think it was like 12 p.m. on a Friday afternoon trading the NQ. There was no movements happening. I was like in and out of trades just trying to scalp something, but my opponent was already up like 3K on me, and it was just impossible. I was trading gold, I was trading silver, but nothing was moving. So I missed out.
Well, silver. You weren't even able to trade silver. What are you talking about?
I was trading gold. I was trading NQ. The heaviest thing I could have traded was gold. I think that's what I was trying to make the most money in, but nothing was moving. It was so boring. And then it got to like 2-3 a.m. Melbourne time, and I was taking it seriously. Like I was staying wide awake for it, and then I gave up. So gave up my Grand Cup there on the Friday.
That's all right. There will be another one coming, I'm pretty sure. Bogdan, did I hit my TP yesterday before the drop? Hell yeah, I did. Actually. You can see?
Ooh, right at the top?
So I was a bit down here at 790. That was my TP. Got out, hit daily consistency, and then we dropped. So it was good.
Nice trade.
It was good. Now we're back in longs. We are back in longs. Today's CPI day, guys, so be aware.
Yes, happy CPI.
We might see some moves finally this time. The last couple of CPIs were pretty lame.
I know CPI has like been, I don't know what they've done to it.
The market is moving like crazy outside of that, so
yeah, that is true.
Keep that in mind too.
Bogdan.
Yeah, Bogdan. That's how Celine would say it. That's for sure.
Celine, what is the new plant's name? Robot. Good.
It's out of the second contract, by the way, just FYI.
Nice. Okay. Building into this, I see. You know what? You can name it, Robot. I didn't have a name for this one.
No name? What the hell?
Let me know what you guys want me to call this one.
There was something I wanted to say. Oh yeah. So Leia, I saw your comment before. You said, "Tell us everything about Miami." Okay.
Oh yeah, Miami. No shit. I missed out on everything too.
I'll show you one video, and that pretty much tells you everything about Miami. Okay, you ready? 1 second. 1 second.
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool. That's everything about Miami.
That guy, there is something not right. Oh my gosh. He has definitely done that multiple times before, chat. There is no way someone just like tries that for the first time and goes upside down.
Well, Danny, who was that? What do you think who that was?
The potato. That was the potato.
Who could do stuff like that?
Only a potato looking guy.
Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Tell us more, Leia. Well, we went go-karting and I overlapped everybody and had an almost 2-second lead on the best lap. So
shit.
That's another thing you gotta know. What else? We ate good. Yeah.
He can go kart, but he can't Mario. Wait. Let me have this. He can go kart, but he can't Mario Kart.
I'm leaving.
I had to. Let me have that, chat. Come on. He put it on a plate.
Oh, you would have gotten smoked in go-karting.
Oh, you have no idea. Was it an outdoor track?
No, indoor track.
Oh, there's a lame.
You would have been smoked, Celine. Like I overlapped everybody without exception.
Maybe.
Everybody. Some of them I overlapped twice.
Okay, fine. You can have that. I'm probably not as good a go-kart driver, but Mario Kart
We'll see Mario Kart.
Yeah, I'll show you.
We will see Mario Kart.
You guys will see Friday. Try to nick one for Celine. Thanks. I'll take it, chat. He tried to say, did he fell on the pole dance? I don't know what that was, to be honest.
There was one too with Amos and Sputnik at the same time.
No, Amos as well.
I wasn't sure if I should call them Mr. or Mrs.
Oh god, is it on video? I hope it's on video.
I do have a video, yeah, actually.
We have Amos on the pole on video.
Yeah. Wait. Let me.
We have to expose him.
Let me see if I can find it.
These Miami trips, they're wild.
Yeah.
I missed out. Chad, I was like flying across the world while these guys were out pole dancing.
That one isn't as good though, like the clip I have. I want Nick to show it on New York stream because he filmed it with the meta glasses.
You brought meta
POV Amos on the pole. So we need that.
That would be funny.
Mm-hmm.
Why didn't you go, Celine? Because I was literally on a flight the day these guys were flying to in Miami. I was on the flight. I was talking to them. I like tuned into the stream at one point, and I was literally in the sky. But yes.
Crazy.
La Voisa, Celine, how was the move to Greece at you in Mykonos or Athens? So neither. I love that you picked Mykonos or Athens because they're probably like the main two places people know about Greece. But I'm in Thessaloniki.
Thessaloniki. Yes. AK, good morning, Nick. Can you explain why you are long here? Because I like the longs better than the shorts.
How to rage bait.
You guys can still guess my strategy.
No, we most definitely can't. We have tried everything.
Okay, let me rephrase. You can still try to guess the strategy.
Well, I have run out.
So how did you do on these 2 mega days, Friday and yesterday?
I was telling these guys that Friday I was not at the charts. I missed the sell on Friday, and then yesterday I missed the New York dump. I did. So I did not bank in either of those dumps. And I was waiting for bears all of like the last month. I was waiting for the reversal. Come on, it has to drop. And then Friday I wasn't there, and yesterday, like I literally did not trade last week at all. I took the whole week away from the charts. So
okay. I
missed out. But did you bank?
Well, I was long the entire Friday, so no, I didn't. Oh. I told the stream already, like, congratulations to the haters, you finally got me. So I'm passing some new accounts now, unfortunately. Today's the 3rd day of these accounts, so I can pass them today according to consistency rules.
Nice.
I need, let's see. I'm at 157.3. I need 159.3 because I went a little bit over consistency on day 1. So 2K more from here. That's the goal for today.
Doable. Nice.
Yep. Good morning, G for Geo. What's up? What's up?
I'm the Witcher.
Yep. Yesterday I did well. Just Friday was a fuck up.
Yesterday, did you take shorts? Were you in the...
but I exited my longs at the...
Oh yeah, right at the... Yeah, that was a nice close.
Okay, you're new here. Well. Okay, then I gotta give you some more context. But people are trying to guess my strategy. That's the game we're playing. So you can take guesses, and if somebody's right, I will say it.
For context, we've been trying to guess for 2 months, pretty much.
Yeah, so far nobody has gotten it. G4G says not much, just chilling with you all while at work. Nice.
Hell yeah.
Priorities. What the fuck Crypto says, hey, we're the new guys, where's the coach? Well, we are the captains now.
Hey, apparently Francisco from the Congo, he called both dumps.
Yeah, I know. I was the one who asked him where we're going. And he said, I mean, for example, yesterday, he said, it was pretty crazy. So it was before the open, we asked him, actually, during the London session, we have proof, it's recorded. During the London session, I asked him, what do you think is going to happen today? During the London session, okay, bear in mind. He says, once New York opens, dippy for the rippy. Then I asked him, what's the definition of a rippy? Of a dippy? He said 109 points down. Here's the open, 737. It goes down to 633. If we take the high of that candle, it is 743 down to 634. That is exactly 109 points.
No.
And then we got the rippy.
What the hell?
He said that during the London session. Just like...
That's wild.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, coincidence, but then he did it again.
Yep.
Wild. Who is he?
Congo man is onto something, I'll tell you.
What are they doing in the Congo over there? What is up?
Yep. King Wick says, Nick's strategy is simple. Buy when low and sell when it's high. Well, that's the basic logic, of course. That's what everybody says, but I actually do it. I said that before, right? Like everybody says, oh, buy low, sell high. But then when it's low, everybody's like, oh, short. I'm like, nope.
Congo man got some special voodoo. I don't know. He's got some shit.
Yep. It's true.
Oh,
By the way,
Yeah.
Celine, you even though you're not in Australia anymore, you still like to leave the frame, huh? If I were you, because I know you like to
lean on my chair.
I know you like to lean to the right.
Yeah.
So if I were you, what I would do is I would just move my camera over to that side, and then you can lean as much as you want.
Okay, wait. No, wait. This is fine, but then I don't want to cover the plant. How about that? I'll just won't lean.
Better.
I don't want to cover that.
Does Nick ever sell? Like, does he ever take shorts? Caden, yes, absolutely. Absolutely. I do. I just said it. If the market is low, I buy. If the market is high, I sell. That's what we're doing.
To put it simply.
Iron, they only say that because they've never seen you short. Well, they have. They just didn't open their eyes, apparently. What's your drawdown with the 150K account? You have $4,500 of drawdown. And Sam, no, my strategy is not based on a VWAP. It's Congo Man, insider at BlackRock, Batman's financial advisor, or strong.
Imagine it's Trump alt account in the Tradeify TV chat. That's funny. Okay, Fastful says, and how come Celine has not said hell yeah? I have actually, if you were listening. I have. Hell yeah.
Well, if I'm Batman and he is Batman's financial advisor.
The plot thickens. I need a Congo Man indicator. Yes, we do. We need Congo Man back in this chat. We need to clone him. I want a Congo Man financial advisor.
Grandpa says, I just texted Trump. When are you going to tweet, bro? Mo. Nick, gotta be careful about mocking Celine. She's in the civilization of philosophy. She will become smarter than you can ever imagine. She won't even fall off chairs.
Okay, that's actually funny, Mo, but...
bro. Serpent God says, lady, you are beautiful. No weirdness intended. Thank you. I appreciate it.
I love that he said the no weirdness intended. I appreciate that. Actually, you know what, Danny Trades? The plant can be called Zeus. It's got the Greek vibes. The plant is now Zeus.
Aaron pitched investing. Might be a dumb question, but why not trade 3 50K accounts? You have more drawdown. No, because I copy trade 5 accounts. So I understand your logic. You would do a 50K account, then wait until you hit max drawdown, then enter the second one, then do the same thing again. But then ultimately you're gonna maybe succeed on one account, which sucks. I want to succeed on 5 accounts. So I'd rather trade 5 150Ks. Hey, Grayson says, watching my first ever London session live. Hell yeah.
Welcome to the London session. And with that, we will be doing a giveaway very soon. I need to check if we got the likes up. It's 400 likes to the first giveaway. We said it nice and easy. By the way, if you haven't seen Miriam's latest interview with Reg Trades, go and watch it as well. Banger. How many likes are we on? 356. We're not far. We're not close. Less than 50 likes to go, and we will do the first giveaway. So if you are just joining, make sure you smash the like button. You guys know the drill.
You better.
Why is Pivek says, why is Nick so happy? And I'm gonna answer. It's because the London session is back. Nick is happy because London session is back. That's
yeah. What? Robot says, wait, I saw the Nick Crypto YouTube short. Told you he's Beyonce and wakes up with his hair like that. I actually do. Could you believe it or not, but I actually do.
Christians is not having Spud yelling into my ear the whole time is a nice change of pace. That's funny.
Celine, at this point, your screen has more. Your yawn has more screen time than you.
Wait, what?
That's funny. Caden, yeah, you know why you got banned from the giveaway yesterday. You do know. He filled out the fucking form like 30 times.
Bro.
Well, you're back today, if you behave. Mohammed, we still trade futures and not currency, so it's not a pair. It's NASDAQ and Q.
You guys are funny. Kefas was saying, Mo, you're very right. Wait until she's asked if she's hungry. She will say, one does not simply eat. One contemplates the essence of nourishment. Guys, imagine I start talking like that after a month living here.
Do it.
Give me the wisdom of the Greek gods.
Did Celine's Wi-Fi also get banned?
Yes.
Jonathan, yes. Yeah, there was a guy yesterday who filled out the form with the name Celine's Wi-Fi like 30 times. I bet it was Jonathan.
That's actually funny. You should have let him stay just for the look.
It was probably Jonathan.
Where's Justin? Where are those OG trollers in the chat? Justin
never showowed up again.
No.
Remember I reached out to him and then he was in Morocco with his watermelon
not
friend?
Patty. Like, you remember, not Patty, Justin.
Oh, Justin is here. He's always here.
I'm thinking of Justin.
I thought Patrick Justin.
No. Patrick and, Justin and Marcos. They used to troll all the time. They're not here.
Fizzo says, why are you taking a trade before the London Brinks session? I don't even know what that is. What are you talking about?
Brinks. Never heard of that.
Which time frame do I trade, Tinko? I trade on the 5-minute chart.
A poor Vasoni is leaning any trade. No, I'm not.
Oh, Jonathan, you mean Richard? Yeah, what happened to Richard, Celine?
Who was texting your phone? Oh, that guy. Nothing. After that, nothing. It was completely weird. I have no idea. Maybe I was getting pranked.
Yeah, maybe. Wait, do you have a Greek phone number now?
Yes. So,
what is the country code for Greece?
It's so weird. It's plus 30.
Plus 30, huh?
Doesn't Chicken have one?
No, he's Swiss.
Oh yeah. I forget. But he's here all the time. Or he just goes on Eralo or something.
He's there a lot of times, yep. But he's in Switzerland right now, isn't he?
Ronik, are you trading on London time? We're trading currently like London Open. We are in the London session as of 23 minutes ago. If that is your question.
Yeah. Proyo says 29,167 is coming in 1 hour. Mark my words. All right, your words are marked. I have a line on the chart now. When that should happen. So let's see. Proyo. I reveal all later, he says.
Enki was about to launch 200 points. Wow.
I mean, I'm in long, so I'll take it.
This guy, Slay Queen like me, says, if you guys give me a free 25k eval, I'll pay you back when I become profitable. Good try. Lol. Like we haven't heard that before.
Jonathan says, I guarantee Nick's trade will either win or lose. That's a guarantee. Well, I can close it exactly at break even. And then it won't.
Oh no, I'm yawning too
much.
Like
a little bit over break even so I can make up for the commissions. Well, it's technically impossible to match exactly commissions. Impossible.
Mo says Celine has your Asia load time change now that you're in Greece. No, Mo. It's still where it always has been. Between the 6, the 7 p.m. and the midnight candle. Okay? Asia low for me is 28,960. Right now we're chopping around that area, actually. Interesting. Joe Mama in the chat. He says, hey guys, I haven't received my giveaway account that I won on the 25th of May.
Shame on us. I will forward your message to the team right now, Joe Mama.
Sorry about that, Joe Mama. Getting onto that ASAP for you. Frank, Celine, how did the move go getting settled in? Welcome to the EU. Well, thank you. Thank you. The move went well. I'm not actually in my new place right now. This is only temporary. So yeah, still waiting on some finalizing things for the rental, my new place, but everything else has gone really smooth. So far, so good. No jet lag. I mean, weather has been amazing. Life's good.
Nice. Nice.
It's definitely different though, trading these hours, the London session. Like I feel a little bit more, like I'm more tired than usual.
You're more tired? What the hell?
Well, I mean, it's probably still me adjusting to the time, but I mean, I was up at 7 a.m. and then now I'm trading and it's 10:30 a.m. I'm just not used to trading at these hours, that's all.
Well, you will get used to it, don't worry.
I gotta be more focused.
It's so much better. Your New York session will start at 4:30 p.m. That's great.
Yeah, it's great. I love that. It's so much better than midnight. Me says, then what happened to your Mercedes? The Mercedes is no more. I gave that girl back.
Damn, do you have a car now?
Not yet. That's another thing in the works. First is the house. Second is the car. Yeah.
Sue says, Nick, 15 hours ago I requested my first payout, but till now still shows under review. Oh my god, this must be a scam. 15 hours? Sheesh. Brother, relax. It's coming. It's coming. It will be with you today, so don't worry. Also, did you complete your KYC? That's the more important question. Because if you didn't, well.
Well. Celine, what do you see on NQ? Because with Nick, I never know why he's in the trade. Well, that's the two of us. No, but for me, I am right now waiting for. I don't ever like to be trading an inside 4-hour candle, but as you can see, we do have previous 4-hour high and previous 4-hour low intact. We have quite a big wick now left behind in the 4-hour. Potentially, we are going to distribute to the downside. If we do take out previous 4-hour low before taking the high, then I will look for a long from that level, and that is also Asia low. So around 28,853.75 is that level. So I'm just waiting. Mexican dance. Oh god, the white. Yeah. Did you guys miss me? The white charts are back.
Excuse me. The white chart.
I'm liking the shorts only at the moment. I mean, the market's not really going either way right now. We're pretty much chopping around what I have as my Asia low. And until we make a move for either side, I'm not really interested in getting involved here. Let me check on gold actually really quick. Oh, the gold sales were on. The gold sales. Nice. W's to the gold traders.
Fried Chicken says, white charts enjoy or put ketchup on their steak. No. Dark chart people do that.
Yes.
White chart people are weird.
Guys, that's coming from the guy who puts ketchup on a beautiful ribeye steak.
Well, yeah.
Enough said.
Even better on a filet mignon.
Even better. Great.
Yeah. Suri, breakfast today? The usual. Just protein shake, protein bar, and 80 grams of beef.
Nice. Oh, wait.
Believe it or not.
What?
Without ketchup, believe it or not. It's dried beef.
Oh, you wouldn't dip your dried beef in ketchup? Like
I do sometimes. But not for breakfast.
That I would allow. Do you put ketchup on your wife's?
Wait. What the fuck? Mexican dance? Oh, brother.
Honestly, Mexican dance, let's not leave it out of the question. That is hilarious. Now, giveaway. Giveaway we set at 400 likes. What are we at?
424.
Let's do it. Let's do the first giveaway.
All right, chat. Here are the rules. If you want to participate in this giveaway, all you gotta do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I give you the link to the giveaway form, fill out that form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions along the lines of that, you will get super disqualified. And if you right now ask me how to participate in this giveaway, you will get disqualified forever. So don't. Nick will put ketchup on his ketchup. Yeah. Yep.
Exactly. Hell yeah. Jada Flo says, I got my payout in 1 hour. I got 2.5K. The process is too smooth. That's good. Too smooth.
Are you a transformer? Yes.
What?
HE Trader, there is only one brand of ketchup, and that is Heinz. Everything else is just tomato sauce.
You guys know where I sit with this one. Actually, I'll find out in Greece if I'm crazy or not. Because maybe I don't know what they call it here, but tomato sauce is
definitely don't call it tomato sauce. If you go to a Greek restaurant and you ask for tomato sauce, you get pasta sauce.
I'm going to find out. Leave it with me. I'm going to find that out.
But you cannot give any more context to the waiter. You have to ask for just tomato sauce.
I'll say, like, they'll bring out the fries and I'll say, can you please bring me some tomato sauce?
And then they're going to be like, you mean ketchup?
Let's see. We'll see.
And then you say, no, tomato sauce.
We will see.
Maybe drops, I am your brother. I don't know. Yeah, Kiss knows. Jade Jefflow says, hey Nick, how much did Misty make in the Grand Cup? I don't know. Misty got banned from the chat forever yesterday by Miriam.
What happened? No, not Blue Eye.
He didn't even say something crazy. Misty just said, can you please switch to Nick's chart? Miriam's chart is boring. And then she was like, ban.
Forever?
Yeah.
Misty.
I'm sad for Misty.
That's so sad. Misty was like almost becoming OG status.
Misty already had OG status.
Oh, Misty was here from... Okay. Well, there you go. That's sad. We knocked off an OG.
Yeah. I don't know. See, read what Leia says.
Sorry, Celine.
Robot says free Misty.
I know.
Yeah.
How that ketchup comes.
We can unban a permaban. That's the problem.
That's kind of sad.
A permaban is crazy. Like, not even fucking 24 hours. It was just...
there must have been more to it. There's just no way.
No, it was really just that.
Mary miscalculated.
I don't know.
We can't, Jade Flo. We can't.
Yeah.
But that username is really annoying, Jade. You're just gonna get.
Bro? Why is that annoying?
Jade. I don't know. It's hard to say. I'm just gonna call you Jade.
Jade. Maybe she misclicked. No, she said you're banned.
That's wild.
So Misty, if you're watching, make another account. Call yourself Misty too. Misty too, because I know you can type in the chat, Misty, but we will never be able to see it. You're hidden. So if you're here, make a second account, call yourself Misty too, and we will know.
Oh, that's even worse when they don't know that they're banned and they're like typing in the chat.
Yeah, they're typing and they just think we're ignoring them. It's kind of hard.
Thank you, Finest says day 2 on stream, and I like it here. Well, welcome. Welcome to your second day of Tradeify TV. We love having new people here.
Yep.
Yeah, to be fair, if someone went after my white charts, I probably would have given them a 24-hour. Some of you guys in here, very close to a 24-hour ban. I'll be honest.
Well, some people deserve it.
Some people really do. When Google form? Oh no. I'm gonna say that could potentially be a ban. I mean, a disqualification, not a ban. Disqualification. All of us could be banned and we wouldn't know it. Well, no, Wizard Trades, we definitely do say, we would call out if we're going to ban you from the chat. Trust me, you would know.
Mo, Nick thoughts, SpaceX IPO and market reaction. Well, if you buy the SpaceX IPO, then rest in peace.
Oh.
Your wallet, rest in peace.
Can you hear that?
What?
Can you hear that from my...
Can you hear what?
Dogs.
Dogs? No, I can't really.
Okay, good. Just a whole bunch of dogs sound like they're fighting outside. That's a thing. In Greece, there are so... Oh, there they go again.
Oh, now I heard them.
Okay, that's really annoying. I'm gonna have to shut this door.
I think that's Hannah in the basement, to be honest.
Okay, Roman, wait, pull me off. I'll be back. I need to just shut the door.
It's just Hannah barking like, let me out! Let me out! I swear. Oh, that's funny. Pratiksha, Nick and Celine, anyone of you love seafood? Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes. Oh, Leia, good point. We forgot about the giveaway again. All right, let's run the giveaway.
Let's do it.
Copy everybody over. First, I gotta check if there's stupid people. Oh, yeah, there is. Huh. You thought
of course
you would get around me, but no, you won't. Haha. All right, let me just check if there's more stupid people. No, we should be good. All right, copying everybody over to the Wheel of Names. Here we go.
Here we go.
All right, there we go. Spinning. The winner of the first giveaway of the day is gonna be Shumi27.
Hey.
Shumi27. Type something in the chat.
Congrats, Shumi.
Shumi.
Danny says that was no dog. I know Hannah's voice.
It was Hannah. Yeah, I am pretty sure too. Should we call the police? Yeah, Shumi says, hell yeah. Nice, Shumi. All right, let's see what you win. You either win a growth account, a select account, or a lightning funded account. Or you land on you suck and then that removes that option. But we'll see. We will see. Ooh, 150k growth. Nice. Congrats. That's fire.
Big win.
150k growth. goes to Shumi. Shumi, I see you already have an email address in your YouTube channel description, so that's good. Just make sure it is your actual Tradeify login email. And we're going to be sending you your free account within the next 7 days. Congrats.
Well done, well done. Well, that was the first giveaway. We will do second one. Bless you, Nick.
What's the, thank you. What's the like for the second one?
Let's say, you pick, actually. I did the first, you pick.
Okay. Second like goal is 701. We're 803 people watching, so easily doable. If everybody hits the like goal, the like button right now, we'll reach 701. Quick.
Hell yeah.
Hey, Wild Deuces is here. Says, oh no, I realize I've never been to a London stream. You have. You have. But welcome to the GOAT stream.
Oh yeah.
Ethan says, like it or you're unprofitable, guys. Yeah, that's actually it. Chat, if you don't like the stream, you are unprofitable. Forever.
It's kind of true. Oh, Sarab says Celine looks tired. Guys, I'm really trying. Look, I probably am a little bit jet lagged.
Misty 2 is back.
Misty? Where?
Misty.
What? Oh my god, Misty. Yes.
Wait, I have my doubts though.
Why? Wait, let's have a look.
Because this channel was created on May 7th.
Unless they always had a second.
Who is playing games?
No, but maybe this person already had.
But why does Misty 2 not have the same profile picture as Misty 1?
Okay. Misty 2, to prove it, you must put the old profile picture. That's a good point.
Yep. Misty 2, get the Misty 1 profile picture and I'll believe you.
Hey, Dean says, hey guys, finally passed my evaluation. Learned a lot from your streams. Cheers. Amazing. Well done. Congrats. Taking that to a payout now.
All right. Misty says, wait, I'll add. Hey, by the way, sorry, Celine, I interrupted you because I saw Misty in the chat. What were you saying?
I was just responding to Sarab because he said I look tired and I was trying to explain myself that maybe it is the jet lag starting to come on, but also,
Probably.
you know, trading and streaming and talking at these hours of the day is not my usual. Usually I am doing some form of work, but as in I'm not actively talking and got that energy. So maybe I need to have a little bit of caffeine. I don't know. I need to get my energy up at these hours of the day.
Mm-hmm.
I'll work on a chat.
I mean, I don't think it's the jet lag because you've been in Greece for a couple of days now, and usually jet lag is gone after 2 days.
And then maybe it's just, I don't know. Maybe I'm too much in a relaxed, because last week, look, I did do a lot of relaxing last week. I was at the beach, I was in a boat, I was doing like all this amazing like relaxing stuff. And so now I need to get back into focus and like switch on. So give me a couple of days, Sarab. I'll get back to it.
Nice.
Ooh, Misty went silent. Oh no. No, Misty said they're going to add. Let's see. Nice.
Russell says, I recovered the Mario Kart account, Nick. Was down to $340 in drawdown. I'm now back up to 2K in drawdown. Nice, Russell. Well done.
Trader Girl said I passed my first ever eval last night. Let's go, Trader Girl. Well done. Congrats.
If tired, just pray to Zeus.
The coolest thing in Greece, though, is that there actually are a whole bunch of ancient sites you can go. Like, you'll just be walking down the street and there's just like ancient ruins there from like BC times. It's just unreal. I love that stuff. It's like, oh, this is where, I don't know, this ancient emperor used to live. It's cool as. That's the difference in Australia. Australia is still a new country, so we don't have that like history. So that's one thing I love about the EU.
Oh, yeah. Well, Europe in general, not the EU per se. Alexi, thank you. Appreciate it. Celine does look very glowy today, says Hell's Flow.
I'll take it. Some people saying I look tired. Some people
are saying you're tired. Others are like, you're glowy.
I don't know.
Just shows whatever one person says doesn't really matter.
Yeah, that's true. Where I'm 7 hours from Melbourne. To answer your question, KV. Oh, Trader Girl, you've always been a live trader, so that's interesting. How did you find the transition to prop firm trading? Do you prefer it? I mean, the best part is you don't have to put as much of your own capital risk down. So, I mean, it's a win-win.
Constantine, we already know she's expecting. It's a girl. Look the light in the background.
This again. Guys, I am not. Like, Neva says she's been pregnant for a while now. Honestly, last week I have been feeling very heavy, but that's probably all the food I've been eating since coming to Greece. But I'm not pregnant, guys. No. You guys would know. Do you guys eat ostrich meat? Hell no.
She messaged me. She's pregnant.
I'm not pregnant. Guys, do you really think?
Well, why did you? Okay, if you're not pregnant, why did you DM me? Hey Nick, I got a surprise. I'm pregnant.
Oh, Nick, come on, show it.
I won't expose you like that.
I did DM you, but I wasn't. Oh shit, my monitor just unplugged.
See, chat. She said she DM'd me. See?
No, okay. Whatever. If you can't show them, they can't believe you. Go on, show them.
Oh, Celine.
Bogdan, that's about to be a 24-hour ban.
Wait, what did he say?
He's saying congrats, Celine.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice of people to congratulate you, right?
Look, I can't tell if this chat's trying to say I look heavier. Because if it is, I'm not having it. I am not going to have it, chat.
Why not?
I think she took the camera off to shut the door so we don't see her tummy. This is going too far. Guys, you would know. You would know. Okay? I'd probably be a lot more moody. I'll be honest. I think pregnant women are always just moody. Trust me. You'll know. In fact, I'm going to change it.
We'll find out, I guess.
Look. It's an orange plant now. It's orange. Wait. Let's make it.
Wait, so what's orange for? I mean...
Because it's nothing.
Pink is a girl, blue is a boy, so...
Okay, because there's no baby here, Nick. That's what I'm trying to prove. Here, okay. You can have green. There you go.
Okay. I could expose you, but...
Do it. Be my guest. Expose me right now. Look, I
You really want that?
I really want that. I really want... Because I did not say anything, chat. I'm not lying. He is lying. And watch, we won't hear from Nick for 5 minutes now because he's going to go into Claude and he's going to go, can you write me a fake Instagram DM between me and Celine? I know exactly
it wasn't on Instagram, remember?
Oh, sorry. He's going to do it on message. He's going to do a fake... He's going to do...
You said it. You sent it on Slack.
I sent that I'm pregnant on Slack.
Yeah.
All right, show it. Show this chat.
All right, if you want that. If you want that.
Watch.
But I gotta screenshot it first. Wait.
Look, he's gonna go and make it on Claude.
Let me screenshot it. I'll screenshot it.
Go. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. It doesn't take that long.
All right, I'm taking a screenshot right now.
Yep.
Going to my screenshots, right click, copy, boom, paste here. 10:45 a.m. When was that? Last week? You said that?
How did you whip that up so quick?
I just screenshotted it. You said I can expose you. Here you go. Like, what the hell?
No, you had that already. You had that already pre.
You heard me screenshot it. Guys,
how did he do that so quick? I didn't even hear him typing. He had that already. That's so...
Yeah, chat. She's obviously not pregnant. Just joking.
Okay, but for real, did you have that pre-done before the stream?
No. I literally did it just now.
That is so quick. Okay, whatever. No, Chad, I'm not pregnant. Do not go telling everyone I'm pregnant. It's not true.
No, she's not. All jokes. All jokes. I know Celine can handle the jokes, so that's why we do those.
Justice for Celine. Thanks, Amir. Justice for Celine.
You know, the first one that I made just had a random other name and a different profile picture, like a robot or something. Maybe that's proof that you're AI too. I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
And your username was just Kala. Wait, look, I'll show you. It's actually funny.
Maybe that should be my name on here from now on. Kala.
Kala. Wait.
Sure.
Here. Kala.
Kala. Oh, that is freaky as.
And I think it's proof that you're AI, but I don't know.
That's so weird. That is scary, Leah. That is scary.
Roman saying congrats.
Oh boy. Even when Roman's in on it too, I'm screwed.
Does ostrich taste like chicken? Oh wait, there's somebody writing in Greek here.
Oh, okay, ready? Celine. Oh, Celine. So that's me, Celine. Riscari. Sti. Okay. Sonales hehe. The last bit is saying like he.
Oh, it's Michael Jackson?
He in Greek. I have no idea what you're saying. I only can
chat everybody.
Greek Michael Jackson in the chat. He.
What did he say?
I only can understand the first part. Celine. That's it. I have to copy this. Are we gonna get like some Greek viewers now? That's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, we better.
Celine takes risks in trading. Is Celine riscari sti synalogis? He. That's funny.
Oh, somebody say, Danny is saying Celine gold is melting.
Oh, don't. Let me check gold. Dude, Nick, you want to see something? Roman, switch to my screen. Like clean A+ model setup, printed at 209. I haven't been trading gold, like literally for a couple of weeks. And then this is probably the cleanest short I could have been in today.
Okay, question. Why are you not trading gold?
Okay, answer to that is I have not been trading anything, to be honest. But whilst I have been looking at the markets like here and there on my phone this week, I've only been watching NQ. I have no idea the price action on gold. I just have not been watching.
So if you haven't traded gold, why are you pissed that you missed a setup that you wouldn't have traded anyway?
Because I should be watching. Okay, that's not good enough. Watch gold.
And where would you have trailed your stop?
So I would have been 1-to-1 and then break even and then just holding the rest.
Okay.
I said I would have like full target would have taken out previous Fravelo. So let's see if that's a full trade setup. If it takes full target. I will be watching gold. That's like a daily thing. When I'm back in my normal routine, I do look at NQ and I look a bit at gold. But just because of the last week, I have not. That's ridiculous though. What a melt.
Well.
A proper meltdown, yeah?
A proper meltdown, yeah?
Yes, G4Joe, it is FOMO, of course, because if I had been ready, if I was watching the charts, then yeah, I would not be saying this. It's just because I'm seeing after the fact, but it still hurts. It is a valid setup. It's very clean.
But you wouldn't be trading gold anyways right now, so whatever. Doesn't matter.
No, yes I would. Yes, I would actually.
Why did you miss it then?
Because I wasn't looking at gold by mistake.
All right. Don't you have alerts?
Go away.
No, I'm just trying to get you in the right mental state because obviously you weren't trading gold recently. So why would you be pissed about something that you missed that you're not trading anyways? Well,
because I'm not always looking at it, okay? And then I look at it and it's clean. So I need to remember to look at it always. Check gold. When NQ is chopping especially, check gold. Okay?
Good. So now you have the solution to the problem, and now you can fix it.
Yep, we're going to fix it. It's going to be fine.
There we go.
Moving on.
There we go.
And all of you in the chat typing gold melting, you're not helping.
Chat, by the way, just wanted to bring your attention to gold really quick. If you didn't see it, gold is absolutely melting right now.
What a troll. Boy, did I miss this.
Mexican says we're not here to help. Ashtik says you missed the trade on gold, Celine.
Oh no. Guys, so I just have to cancel myself. I'm just gonna like leave the stream at this point until the gold stuff is done.
Don't. The stream is not the same without you.
All right, fine. I'll let you have your gold. I'm 80 points on gold. Okay, enough.
Sarah says, damn, let's fucking go. Every gold trader got that.
You guys, I might not come back tomorrow. Celine, you can set alerts. Leia, I know. I need to do that.
Yeah.
That way I can stop missing moves. Oh, God.
Love your life before death, says Nick. I just want to congrats for your yesterday's NQ trade. Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Leia says, or create an indicator with your strategy. I think you have one, right?
Yes, yeah, I have that.
Yeah.
That's fine. But I've just set an alert. I've set an alert on the indicator now.
Ashtik said, even if you leave the stream, you already missed the trade.
Oh my God. Rage bait 101, you guys. You guys are doing well.
Mike, how does Greek tzatziki taste? It's just like overnight oats. But
do not disrespect Greek as a tzatziki like that. It tastes so much better over here. Let me tell you.
Tizaikai?
Everything is so good. You've been to Greece, right? You've tried the food.
Yeah, but not tizaikai.
Okay, but everything else, like, I mean, the desserts.
No. The Greek cuisine is not for me. Absolutely not.
What? But the Swiss cuisine is like potatoes and cheese, Nick. How can you compare?
The Greek cuisine is like, it's just not for me.
Oh
because
my God.
I don't like olives. I don't like feta cheese. I don't like tzatziki. I don't like all these things that the Greek love. So more for them.
No taste buds. What? You like cheese and you like potatoes?
Well, yeah, that's obviously yes. But then there's much more that I like, and Greek food is not one of them.
Wow. I'm sure this chat is majority. Roman, can we put a poll in here actually? Because I'm sure majority of the chat, do you like Greek cuisine or you don't like Greek cuisine? Okay, I need to know. As I'm pretty sure it's like the most liked cuisine in the world, the Mediterranean.
No, that's clearly Italian.
Nick, it's not. Oh, I thought you were going to say Swiss. I was like, there's just no way.
Italian is 100% the most liked food around the world. I bet my hand on that.
I would say.
I'd just say two words. Pizza, pasta. Forget it. Nothing will compare. Nothing will compare.
Wait, Roman, can we please put a poll? I want to know this now. Now I want to know Greek food versus Italian food, actually. If it's not too late.
It's now everybody's dropping their food.
See? And where does Swiss come on that ranking, guys?
I never said Swiss is the best food. Never did. But Greek definitely ain't it either.
I don't know how chicken goes from Greek food back to Switzerland. That's depressing. That's what that is. Greek yogurt is the best. Of course it is. Greek has no match.
Let's get the poll up. We need the poll. Peachbot says ChatGPT confirmed it's Italian. It's so obvious that it's Italian.
Well, I don't know because I need the poll first.
Greek versus Italian cuisine. Well, that wasn't the poll, but I will take that too. Oh, you're losing so hard, Celine.
Okay, after this one, then Roman, I want to know. What do I want to know?
But look how obvious it is. 73 versus 27%. 72 versus 28. It's like it's not even close.
That is, wow, you guys.
Well, that's so obvious. Like Italian.
We can definitely agree that it's better than Swiss food. Like when you say you don't like olives and yogurt and all those great things, what's the Swiss food have that's so good?
Again, I never said Swiss food is the best food.
But is it better than Greek?
Oh, 100%. Because Greek food is shit.
Okay, this is the poll. Chat. Roman, sorry.
No, your poll originally was...
No.
Do you like Greek food, yes or no?
Yeah, okay, let's do that. Roman, can we please do that poll? Yes or
no?
And
on that poll, my prediction is more people will say yes than people will say no.
Hello. That's what I'm trying to show you. I'm trying to prove that.
Yeah, I get that. I still don't like it.
Well,
it's the same way, like, I don't trade with a stop loss. Most people do. I don't.
You just like to be so different.
Most people like to say, I buy low, sell high. But they don't. I actually do it. So what?
Nico Speed says pasta. Wait. Oh, there we go. Okay, the new poll is in there. Do you like Greek cuisine? Everyone better be going and clicking yes. Just saying.
As I said, my prediction is yes, it's gonna win.
Chinese food top 2. Panda Express.
Oh fuck yeah! I had so much Panda Express in the US. Oh,
no, so I still haven't had it.
In Salt Lake City, literally everything I had was Panda Express and Papa John's.
Oh, what happened with surprising your friend?
Oh, it went so well. It went so perfect.
Did you actually do a drive-by?
No, I did it differently. So I showed the chat the video yesterday, but basically, oh, NQ's coming down to my next entry here. But basically, what I did was I wrote a letter, kind of like a birthday card ish, right? And then in that card, I also asked him if he wants to be my best man. And there was like a box for a yes and a box for a no. And then I knew that he's gonna call me, right, when he reached that card. So his wife gave him the card. He calls me, and I'm literally in a car next to their RV.
Oh, that's so sick.
And then I was like, "Yo, birthday boy," and he said like, and he was filming like him, kind of like making the mark on the card.
Yeah.
And I said like, "Yeah, I really wanted to ask you on your birthday. I would have preferred to ask in person, but I really wanted to ask you on your birthday." And I was like, "Well, actually," and then I flipped my camera over to
that's crazy
his RV, and he was like, "No way."
That's so sick. Oh my god.
Yeah, it was cool. It was really cool.
It's good when surprises actually work out. Like he had no idea.
No,
like the wife didn't spot. That's awesome.
Yeah, no idea. Okay, by the way, chat, I just entered 4 more micros, so we're in 6 now.
I'm watching this previous for our low level. If it does sweep, I will take longs off there. But just waiting. There is an SMT right now with ES as well at the previous 4 hour low. So watching that as well. Potentially there is going to be a strong reaction of this.
I like this long very much.
Danny, why is gold dropping so hard for real though?
Danny's a legend.
Oh my, Nick, don't look at it.
Like gold?
That's disgusting. The meltdown that is happening on gold right now is... I haven't seen that in a long time.
Unwritten says, Nick, in case you pull Swiss, does that include IKEA meatballs? Sure. Okay, so now my original TP, I'm gonna keep it there because that would meet my target for the day. And it's realistic still.
Nice. I want to hopefully join you on these longs. If I can get...
On the schlongs.
Yes. That's what I said one day. I did say that. Jacob says we need Congo Man to tell us when Enki will fly up. Well, there was a guy in here. Where's Poyo or Proyo, whatever that guy's name is? Because he said Enki was about to rip 200 points. And right now we're not.
Well, wait. You see that blue line on my chart? That's when he said we should check. So.
Oh, he said a time as well? Jeez.
Yep, he did. So.
Freaky.
He still got time.
Let's see.
But if it doesn't hit, I will call him out so bad. Just wait.
Yeah, I can't wait.
You know it.
Danny Trades, I'll be glad if you caught the gold cell. I'm happy for you. All right, let's see how this poll came in, by the way. Yep. What did I think? Well, you thought it too. 71%.
Yep. 71%. Exactly what I thought.
You're just the
I
outlier.
said it before the poll was even up.
Well, I hope one day your taste buds can mature and you can enjoy the greatness that is the Greek cuisine.
Okay. Misty is back with the actual profile picture.
It's her.
Misty, it's actual Misty. Misty, just make sure to not offend Miriam, otherwise you get banned again.
I'm so glad you came back, Misty. So yeah, how did you do in? How did you do in the Grand Cup, Misty? Where did you end up? Because we were all following you from the beginning.
True, Misty. Now you can reveal your name in the Grand Cup. Keith says Nick has a plate of a 12-year-old, probably eats hot dogs every day. Dude, I love hot dogs. Hell yeah. Fire. The plates of 12-year-olds are amazing. Like kids menus in restaurants.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so good.
Why do they always get the good food? Tenders and...
Wait, but Misty, you said Blue Eye, you gave it to your friend. And you changed your name. I'm confused now. AG Trader says Nick likes hot dogs because they got ketchup on them. Oh, yes. Yep. Oh, you lied, Misty? Why would you lie to us? That's harsh. Andrew says he means palate. Palate. I know. Swiss cows are amazing, so cute. Yes, especially on your plate with ketchup. Love Swiss cows.
Oh, Swiss cows will probably be amazing, but with that red condiment on the side.
Well, Kiss, that there's a workaround for that. Kiss says, I hate when restaurants say you have to be under 12 years old to order off the kids menu. They get the best food. Well, just pay double. So tell them I'll pay double. Let me order. They will let you order. Don't worry. Is Misty a he or a she? That's a great question. Misty, what are you? Are you a Mr. or a Mrs. Misty?
By the way, I entered a long based off the SMT with ES and I'm size very small. Literally trading this with micros here. Because I'm not entirely convinced yet. This is the trade.
Oh, Misty's a girl. I always said he.
Sorry, no, that's what I thought. I thought that too for some reason.
Sorry, Mrs. Misty.
Yes.
Yeah, Boston, she is.
Yes, Boston.
Kiss, that's great. My workaround to get food off the kids menu. I bring my kid with me, then order 2 kids meals, pretending he can't decide between the 2. I love that. That's great. That's amazing. Isn't Misty from the Pokemon series? Hell yeah. Misty, the water Pokemon fighter.
Nixer is live, but what about below liquidity? The liquidity below at the 4-hour low on NQ. Yes, that is one reason why I would normally be waiting for that sweep, but I like the reaction given that ES had swept and there is now an SMT where the correlated asset has swept the previous 4-hour low. So I was keeping an eye out and it was a strong displaced candle on the 1 minute on NQ. So I took it with small size and still like it based on the SMT. Everything else is there. ES is actually the clean setup with the previous 50-minute low and previous 4-hour low sweep with the inversion. But I'm taking the NQ trade just off the SMT, basically. And it's small size. So I don't expect it as likely as I would a normal A+ setup. It is more like a B+ setup. So that's why I sized down. But still happy to take that risk.
Fair, we're in the same trade now. Crazy. Misty, what's my target? 29,080. Actually, I'm gonna make it 29,070. No, well, that's not enough. Nah, I'm gonna keep it at 80.
Misty says, Nick, tomorrow I catch 1,000 points in NQ and make highest profit of my life. What is with all these people and being able to tell the future in this chat?
There's only one person who can tell the future, and that's Congo Man.
I really wonder what he thinks of today's price action.
Well, maybe he will join the chat. I don't know.
Francisco from the Congo.
Francisco from the Congo.
Guys, how do I get my trading view to match in split? Like when I do have split screen, I have 2 different color themes and it hurts my head.
You just have to right-click apply to all when you're setting up your chart settings. On the one that's set up right-click and apply to all. Congo Man so overpowered. Yeah, he's goated. He is goated. Ben, no stop loss, Nick? What kind of question is that?
You must be new here.
How to tell me that you're new without telling me that you're new? That's exactly how you do it. Kim says, you can't go wrong with this prediction.
Yes, comment of the day, that one.
Misty, nice. You got your 2.5K? Congrats.
Hell yeah.
For making it to round 5.
Would there be any party for Grand Cup finalist winners? That would be fun. But no, I don't think so.
I think Sputnik is going to throw a pizza party.
Oh, is that a real thing?
I think so, yeah.
There you go. Head out to Chicago and there'll be pizza waiting for you. And a potato.
The Chicago pizza. Danny boy, Nick, tell us your strategy without telling us your strategy. Okay, buy low, sell high.
Pretty much.
WAG is up 600 million tonight. Why not more? Oh, Jonathan says, did someone say pizza? Oh yeah. Jonathan, we should do a pizza party.
Jonathan, if you're not at that pizza party, I would be shocked.
Well, he's in the US too right now, so.
Oh, you better get to Chicago.
I know he's heading to Vegas soon.
Oh.
Vegas.
Then you know.
Celine fan club says Nick's strategy, buy low and sell lower. Sure.
No.
Wow, you got me. Oh no.
Ethan says the SMT isn't SMTing. Yeah, 100%. it's not going to always 100% make the move based off the SMT. That's why you risk low. And it's still worth the risk. It's just about how much you're willing to risk just on that setup alone. So for me, I was happy to trade 2 micros, given that everything else was perfect. We just didn't get that sweep. And now I have my stop below the previous 4 hour low. So it still can come down and sweep the previous 4 hour low and then have a reaction there. So
wait, Jonathan. Jonathan says, no, I fly tomorrow, Nick. Didn't I say you fly this week? Tomorrow is this week, right? Huh. Yeah, trading markets, you got me. Just gambling. It's all just gambling.
With a 90%.
Huh? Celine's hat. Yo, you miss me. Wait. What's that profile picture?
Wait, what is it?
I thought it said FIFA. That would have been funny.
Oh my gosh. Celine's hat. These guys, they get stuck with these usernames for 2 weeks. That's the funniest part. They can't actually change it back.
Jonathan can fly. Oh, chat, you're funny. $8.52 is incoming. Let's see. Let's stretch it out, Nick. Stretching out my candles for more dramatic effect. Ben H says, yeah, I'm new here and you lot are a bit condescending. Of course we are.
I feel sorry for the new people that don't know our personalities or our humor and just like...
Johnson's just like, ban that. I'm not gonna read the rest. Mexican dance.
What?
That's funny. Wait.
Conniving?
What's this podcast about? What?
Mia negative Celine, is this an eval? No, this is actually on funded. The only reason I'm taking off the full at this high is because on the smaller accounts, I'm literally in 1 micro. So I don't have anything to trail out. So the other accounts with 2 micros, I'm just going to take full at this high and be done with the trade. And the reason why the stop is a larger here is because I want to cover for that previous 4 hour low sweep. That's all, just in case it has room to go up after that. It's still valid until then.
Oh, that's sad. Mo says, hit the LL overnight. For the rest of the day, I'll be looking at charts and thinking how I would have smashed it. That reminds me of this. Roman, if you go to my screen really quick. This is Mo right now.
No. Sad Mo. Rip.
Yeah. Celine says it's about random trading and Swiss milk.
What?
That's funny.
Wait, I'm not seeing these comments.
What do you mean you're not seeing these comments?
I don't see the one that said about Celine. What did they say about Celine?
No, Celine fan club was saying.
Oh, Celine fan club. Right. It's about random trade. Got it. I just saw it.
All right. 2 more, actually 3 more minutes until the prediction of this other guy. Gregor says, managed to pass an 150k select the eval on that job. Hell yeah, man. Congrats.
Nice.
Well done. Well done, sir.
you going to add Celine? No, I don't actually add into positions. Very rarely would I add. So either it's going to stop me out or I'm going to take profit. It's one of the two. That's how it goes.
Mm-hmm.
It's looking like it wants to stop me out though.
It is.
I don't know why I'm yawning so much. It's 11:20 in the morning. It's not even early. Need to adjust. Only Nick adds in drawdown. Nick is one of the few, I mean, I know other traders would, but Nick does it live on stream. He adds into those positions when they're down. And it works.
Yes.
It does work.
No. Danny, it's not jet lag. She's been in Greece since when have you been in Greece now?
It is jet lag. Just allow it. Allow it. I've been in Greece for a week. I'm exhausted.
Speaking of adding in drawdown, I just added 2 more. Now to pull my target down, which I like.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have to have a coffee with me every morning stream now. Gonna have to start drinking coffee again. I can't be yawning like this. It is chat lag, says Roman.
Chat lag. Yeah, good point. Good point. All right.
Come on,
30 more seconds.
Until the prediction?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's see.
Yep. Proyo, are you still here?
This will actually be crazy.
All right, let's see. Oh yeah, he's still here.
Here we go. What did he say? Right. It's going to rip 200 points.
Here we go. Yeah. That is why the only person who should throw out predictions is the Congo man. Because Proyo said 29,167 is coming in 1 hour. That was exactly 1 hour ago. Mark my words. All right, Proyo, we marked your words. Exactly 1 hour ago. Yeah, now we're at 881. Okay. And also, Proyo said, start the timer now. NQ is about to launch 200 points to the north side. I will reveal all later. Wow. Yeah,
oh, now he's saying, I said I got time and price mixed up. It's too late for that, buddy.
I hear excuses.
Yep.
That's why you gotta be careful when you throw out predictions, chat. Like, if you're Congo man and you're like right to the fucking point, cool, go for it. We can't just throw out random predictions and try to be like Congo man. You gotta be Congo man for that, you know?
I'd say there is only one Congo man. I think none of you will ever.
Nobody should ever try to do this. Congo man is unmatched.
Where are you, Francisco?
That's probably in the Congo. Okay, he's doubling down. Proyo is saying this is the low. Proyo, I don't know how to tell you this, but
you have no idea what you're talking about.
Okay, she said it.
Trix P Vibes to Celine. I'm taking the same trade for my eval. Okay, nice. I mean, if you're taking it on an eval, I guess it's fine. This is more of a risky play for me. Obviously, it's not A+, but eval is okay, that's fine. But this is because I'm trading on fundeds. I'm very low sized in this.
What's your target on this?
28,973.
28,973, okay. Mine is 29,025.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Oh, can you do something?
Hire the memes, the stick meme. Do something.
Yes, literally that is me right now. Do something. Sellers are pretty strong, that's right. The sellers are out. But not for long. Mark my words now.
Mark your words.
Mark my words. This is not the end for the Bulls.
Is it not?
We will return.
The Bulls will return.
Nixter's life says, I feel your stop loss will hit and we will bounce back, Celine. I'm not even surprised if we do that. But I have left some room below the previous 4-hour low. If it wants to sweep and then stop me and then reverse, I will have to allow it.
I just wanted to go a bit lower because Proyo said it was the low. So please just go a little bit lower. He says, up, I'm long. All right. Well, I'm long too, Proyo. Mario Kart King says, Celine, try 20 grams of creatine if you're tired and don't want to go back to coffee.
I've heard mixed things about creatine. I don't know how I feel about it. Do you have it? Do you take it, Nick?
I don't. My fiance does. All right, Proyo. It wasn't the low, huh?
Oh, here is the low.
2 for 2 on false predictions. I have tried it, Mario Kart King, yeah. Don't know about
I'm about
Did
to
you?
get stopped.
Did you try it?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
No. My sister told me to take it.
My
But like
sister.
I hear that you get hair loss from creatine.
What? No.
Yes. That's what I hear.
I have never heard that before.
Oh, Kiss says I add creatine to my coffee, best of both worlds.
She's doing the mega cocktail.
I'm waiting to be stopped out at this point right now. My stop is sitting at 8:40 and I'm just waiting.
Don't, Celine.
No.
You shall not be stopped out.
What? Jonathan says creatine for hair loss. I heard that going for a haircut causes hair loss too. What? Oh, so all right. Prove me wrong, guys. Creatine does not make you lose hair. Celine created.
I've never heard that, to be honest.
There's no hair loss by creatine. Okay. Majority of the chat is saying no. To be fair, my sister who's a PT, she tells me I should have it, but I don't listen to Hannah.
Listen to Hannah.
You know that I don't listen to Hannah. Hannah, if you're watching, no, never. Never gonna listen to you.
You should. Hannah knows her shit.
Hannah pretends like she knows. We never got to do the sibling trading thing. That would have been funny.
What do you mean?
We said we were going to get our siblings to trade for us on stream.
True.
Hannah was going to trade, but I mean, no more. Hannah is no more.
Why not?
Because I left her behind.
Have you ever heard of video calls?
No, we're not. Hannah's done. Hannah's in the basement.
Oh, so it was Hannah in the basement. Chat, we got proof. Send the police. Wait, what did Mo say?
Everyone's talking about
Congo Man is like that octopus that could predict World Cup game winners from the Germany World Cup.
What?
Yeah.
I don't know about that octopus. the hell?
You don't?
Oh, World Cup is tomorrow.
Tomorrow? The first Swiss game is on the 13th, I think.
Starts tomorrow, Mexico, Africa. Oh, wait.
Crazy.
I'm about to get stopped. Mexico, South Africa is tomorrow. That's it. That's the first one. When is Australia?
Okay, let's see. World Cup.
Friday, June 19th. Oh, we're versing USA first game.
Oh, you are?
Who does Switzerland have?
Okay, let's see.
Switzerland.
Let's see. I got it pulled up here.
Qatar. You've got Qatar. You
Qatar.
should win that.
Oh, that's on the 13th, huh? Okay. Okay.
Wait, did we verse? Oh no, we had a friendly. Oh, Switzerland and Australia verse and
Canada. Oh yeah. That's actually an easy group stage. Switzerland could make it through that.
Yeah, you should make it through.
Switzerland is probably going to be number 1 of that group.
Or yeah, you and then probably Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got an easy draw. Australia also should make it. Australia versus Switzerland final?
Probably not. Switzerland has never made it further than the quarterfinals ever. So if Switzerland would make it even to semifinals, the entire country would go crazy.
Brazil wins every World Cup.
Dallas, I think you're stuck in the past, man. Brazil was good once, but
yeah,
not really anymore.
I think Spain's the favorite this year.
Pizzo asking Nick, where's your stop loss? This is your first time here?
My trade is still alive so far. Still alive. Nice.
Celine Fan Club says in Italy, everyone supports Switzerland. Wait, why don't they support Italy? Oh, wait.
Oh. Damn.
Yeah, that would be cool. I agree with you, Joe. Like Portugal versus Argentina, Ronaldo versus Messi in the finals. That would be really cool.
Even if it's rigged, they just have to do it. I'm sad that I think it could be like both of their last World Cups, and I'm not there.
Ahmed96 is like, bro, trading with no stop. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yep. Is it amusing to you, Ahmed?
I think it's really funny, Ahmed.
What's amusing? It's quite serious. 91% hit rate. What's funny about that?
Ahmed. That was his first comment on the channel too.
Celine, are you in a trade? Yes, I'm holding this long right now, but my stop is very, very tight here. I'm very close to getting stopped. 840 is the stop. I mean, I'm in a B plus setup, so if I get stopped, I will take another trade, but it will have to be an A plus setup now that the NQ previous 4 hour low has been tapped. From here on would be A plus. So I'm okay getting stopped out and then hopefully getting a re-entry.
Brazil, Morocco, who you got? Well, Bravo, in this case, Brazil. Brazil.
Yeah, Brazil. Oh, Celine, gold is about to mount. I think gold is mounting, guys. It's not is about.
Ahmed says, yep, it is. Nice example for beginner trader for me. When I see someone I'm supposed to learn from and I see this risk management in a trade, wow. Okay, Ahmed.
Okay.
Love you. One day you will understand. Maybe not. I don't know.
I don't think.
Nah, probably not.
You see, Ahmed, let me leave you with this. What is the reason you lose money in a trade? What is the one thing that allows you to lose money? Oh, wait. A stop loss. So if you remove the stop loss, that means you never lose.
The way how you're describing this is funny.
That's all I'm going to leave you with, Ahmed. Do what you will with that wisdom.
Pranav says, would love to see Ahmed and Nick's receipts this evening. Oh, sir, screenshots have been taken. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. The screenshots have been taken.
Mexican dance. Celine finally figured it out. Holy. Mexican dance, I figured it out a whole long time ago. I was just pretending, you know? Colleen Frank says, will Celine's wedding cake be made with Swiss cheese with holes? Absolutely not. No cheese will be inside at my wedding. No cheese. Hate cheese.
That's okay. No tzatziki will be inside in my wedding.
Oh, there will be lots of tzatziki at my wedding. I might just make tzatziki like the centerpiece of all the tables.
You. Wait, you're still in? You're still in the long, huh?
I'm still alive. I'm alive right now.
Oh, Jonathan, absolutely. We will have pizza at our wedding. Yes, sir. That's going to be the midnight snack, actually. We just decided that.
Nice. Some ketchup?
No, pizza.
If you don't have ketchup as your like table centerpieces.
Oh, every guest will get one of these.
Everyone goes home with a guest. If you don't do that, that's that you have to redo your wedding. Thank you, Bogdan. Thank you.
Oh, Leah, that would be Celine's dream. She says, when my brother-in-law got married, they had no wedding cake, but a buffet of 47 different cheeses.
Disgusting. I mean, no hate, but that I couldn't think of anything worse. Everyone wants a cake at the end of the night, not cheese. Disgusting.
Just send me pics and your wife doing the dinosaur roar. Sure. This is great.
Celine stop loss be like, I am untouchable. For real, I am pretty lucky, I'll say that. Well, I mean, trade's not over. He could still come down and tap me out, but I'm alive for now.
Robinho said, Nick, is that not out of date yet? What?
The ketchup.
Huh.
The ketchup.
Out of date? Oh, this ketchup.
Ketchup.
No. Remember, I told you when it's gonna expire. Remember when I asked you when is Swiss National Day? That's when it's gonna expire.
I don't even know when Swiss National Day is.
I don't blame you. Why would you know? You're not Swiss. It's 1st of August.
Oh, it goes off this year.
Mm-hmm.
Shit. You haven't even opened it yet. You have 3 months. Not even. You have 2 months. You better start getting to work on that ketchup bottle.
Yeah. Amir says, Nick, no hate. You know I love you, but do you have any solutions for your strat on days like Friday? It's like if you lose the whole thing. Okay, great question. You can't really say on a day like Friday, because Friday was historically on the NASDAQ the biggest day ever, up or down. It was the biggest day ever. So nothing like Friday has ever happened before. Okay, gotta keep that in mind as the first point. On a prop account, no, there is no solution for that. I'm not just gonna hold it. I'm working the position. I'm taking losses, scaling back in lower. But a day like Friday kills the account. There's no way around that. However, what's the probability of a day like Friday, well, it's that Friday was, as I said, the first day like this. Have we had big days before? Yes. Have I survived big down days before? Yes, because you can get a workaround for it. However, Friday absolutely killed me. That's why I said congrats to the haters, you got me. Because if you do end up going into that much drawdown, you will lose the account. Well, it's just a probability game, right? How often does that happen? I mean, yesterday I succeeded, and we had a 1,600 point range.
Facts.
Facts.
I'm about to get stopped here.
No, Celine.
It's all over, boys. It's all over. It's okay, because if this sweeps previous 15-minute low, then I might actually get an A+ setup. So I'm going to allow it. Mm-hmm. I'm a little bit below that low. Like allowing it 4 points.
Mo says it seems like every time I lose an account, it's a historical day that has never happened before. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh wait, didn't we say 701 likes for the next giveaway? We did. We're now at 608.
Oh.
So chat.
Put in the work.
You know what to do.
All right, I got stopped in that trade.
No
anymore.
Celine.
Look, the great thing about that trade was that I was sized down. I knew going into it that it was less probability because it wasn't an A+ setup. So knowing my strategy, knowing how to grade each setup, and then knowing when to go in heavier, when to take off risks, when to, only go in 1-2 micros because it's probably going to most likely go against you. But it's still worth the risk for me in that case. It still was worth it. Fair. I decided to take it, but small loss doesn't kill the accounts.
Fair. I just added 2 more micros because you said that. Let's go back. Yeah, thanks.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Andrew says, so Celine, you took your mic to Greece. Of course. I took the whole setup. Except for my plant and light, but I got my camera, I got my lighting, my key light. Took it all. This is just looking like a... NQ wants to drop lower here. Previous day low.
Yeah, I gotta be careful now. This is entering danger territory for me.
I see previous day low as potentially the next point that we could target.
What level is that?
Previous day low is... Wait. 28,277. 28,227.
All right. 28,227.
Market King. But wait, I thought the low was like 20 minutes ago.
Oh. Yeah. Where is the guy?
I don't know, right?
What was his name? Proyo?
He's
gone. He's not in here anymore, but you're yawning again.
I know what is going on.
You really are tired, lady.
I need creatine. I need caffeine. I need something.
Yep.
I feel like NQ is going to keep on dumping with small pullbacks, but that's all. Interesting. Well, we are getting a continuation of this obvious down move that we've been seeing over the past, basically since that Friday drop. We'll see what NQ has in store though for the bulls. If we keep dropping here, I'm looking at previous day low as the next level with potential to reverse off. But looking at the daily, if we close bearish below that previous day low level, then I'm thinking we're gonna have some sort of correction, some sort of heavy move after that if we do get a bearish close on the daily. But we'll see. The weekly, what does the weekly look like? The weekly, we're pretty much back to weekly open. Very small body on the weekly candle. Currently in the bullish weekly gap, but I mean, if see how this candle closes. If it's going to close bearish, we could start to see more bearish days. We'll see. Also, if there's all this, if the Trump-Iran stuff starts to escalate again, then yeah, definitely going to see money being taken out of NQ for sure.
We'll find out.
We will see. Can we see 20 micros today on Nick's position? What's the most micros you've traded?
48, I think.
Wow. It's quite a lot.
Now we gotta watch. We gotta watch.
Who's in Long's chat? Who is in the shorts? Let us know.
Silverskin says, I don't get why oil is dumping as well. What is oil at? What is that? 88. Okay. 88.
Sorry, what?
Sorry, what? Who said that? I don't know.
Nice. Leia took the shorts on CL, made 2,000 already. Let's go, Leia.
Nice.
Very nice.
She loves her oil. It's insane.
Okay, Rowan's put a poll in there, guys. I'm in longs or I'm in shorts. Let's see what you guys are trading. It's a little mix. Oh, no, I think most are in shorts.
That makes me like my longs even more. That makes me want to add 2 micros, which I'm going to do right now.
Stop loss hit. Same. Amir, no trades today. I mean, that's probably... if I was playing an A+ model, Amir, yes, I would have had no trades. So I'm with you.
No trades?
No trades for Amir.
Damn. Sad.
Where is the no trade option? Oh yeah, we forgot to add that to the poll. Now everyone's like... I know, we still have CPI data to come out. Maybe it's going to be really small. Maybe it's getting priced.
Never made it says we are front running CPI. Could be. And then CPI is going to be a yucky candle again.
A nothing candle, yeah.
Like the last couple of CPIs.
This is the CPI move, they're saying. Maybe it's getting priced in.
Could be.
How will we know, though? We'll just have to see what CPI gives us.
That is a fact, lady.
That is a fact.
We'll see at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. That for you now, Celine, is 3:30 p.m.
PM, right? Yeah. 3:30 p.m. It's not a bad time.
No. I tell you, like Europe, best time zone. If you want to trade London and New York, perfect.
I miss out on Asia now, but that's not so bad. I haven't loved the Asia session.
How often did you actually trade full Asia?
No, very, very rare. Very rare. I would catch sometimes the end of the Asia session would be nice, but I don't like it.
Then it doesn't matter.
Yeah. I know. Oh, someone fix what is going on. I need to just have a coffee after this, I think.
Or creatine.
I'll look into it. I will.
Hannah will be proud if you do.
I know. So will Brandon. Celine, will you be trading NY from now? I will. Yes, if I have a great London session, like I said earlier on in the stream, I wouldn't necessarily be looking at New York. But it's just there. It's great that it's there as an option now, because when I first started trading, I was always trading New York session with NASDAQ, and I did like the volatility and the moves you can catch. Like yesterday, there was a clean short for me. I went over earlier on in the stream, and those are the trades that I miss about NY session, because they are just clean, big moves. Sometimes when NY wants to play nice, you can get some really nice moves. So I'm looking forward to that for sure. Now, this is an A+ setup coming along. Again, the longs. But stops are so large right now. Interesting.
I like that.
A lot of volume coming in here.
We love you too, Grandpa.
I'm gonna take it again with small size and then call it a day. If this doesn't work, I'm out of here. Out of here until New York. Let's see.
We asked Congo man. Love this. Love this. Did we hit the like goal yet? Nah, we still need 52 more likes, chat.
Okay, I'm in this long. I'm in this long.
Ooh, you're in the long again?
Yes.
I'm still in the long.
Okay. My orders are in. Let's see.
What's your entry?
79575.
79575. All right. Alrighty.
Let me see where the 1-to-1 stop is. Like 50 points. That's a lot for an NQ, for a London session. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, do you? I was just about to say, like, do you ever take 50-point stops?
Not really. This again is I would classify this like not A+ at all based on the stop size, but I'm taking it again with very small sizing here. 2 micros on the 150k accounts. Risking 200, around $200 on the big accounts, $100 on the 50Ks. Still very small. Usually I'd be risking around 300 on a 50k account, so it's like not even half of my usual risk, less than half.
All right. True John is asking, Celine, what style account do you use? Or what
growth
type?
Accounts. 150k growth and 50Ks.
I mean, Mad Scalp saying stop size has been unusually large for me too for the past few days. And because the past few days have been way larger. Like I said, yesterday we had a 1,600 point range. So
yeah, it's wild. And maybe this is how the market will be. Like maybe I do have to adapt and be flexible more with stop sizing. Like because maybe this is the market cycle we're in right now. Maybe we're just gonna have London sessions that have huge ranges. And I need to move with that. But I will always consider risk. I will, if I know it's a larger stop, then I'm not going to go in with a usual size of contracts, right? You just have to be calculated. You have to know how much you're risking and be okay with that. Or if you're not okay with it, just don't take that trade.
Fair.
Enrique, Celine, I miss you. Welcome back. I missed you, Enrique. Enrique Santos.
Ay, Enrique.
Craig says, Celine, how do you connect your Tradeify Pro account to TradingView? I'm having no luck. Go to Tradeify, go to the right panel that has the application settings in the top right corner and go to add-ons in your settings on Tradeify and make sure you have TradingView active. Make sure that's switched to active, and then that is how you'll be able to log in through TradingView.
Correcto. Comment says 30 more likes. Come on. Yeah, but we got to be quick. We got to hit it in the next 1 minute. Otherwise, you won't do another giveaway.
Oh, we do not have time. Damn, where did the time go?
You got to do a give before the rippy. 26 more likes. Come on, chat.
Come on, come on.
26 more likes. 26 more likes.
Come on, chat. You guys can do it.
You can.
I want to give you a second giveaway.
Oh, 3 more. All right, chat. I'll already explain the giveaway rules.
Go.
If you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape or form I am in, or any sorts of questions along the lines of that, you will get disqualified. If you have filled out the form before, you have to fill it out again because everybody got deleted from it. And if you ask me how to join this giveaway, then you will get disqualified forever. So here's the link. I'll give you 1 minute to fill it out. 1 minute.
Here we go.
Here we go.
No, during market, I didn't lose Wi-Fi, by the way. I just accidentally knocked the cord that connects my camera. So I just disconnected for a quick second. But no, we did not have internet issues. We're all good.
WAAG67, where's the link? You, sir, are disqualified. Congratulations. Come on now.
I mean,
all right.
The rules are the rules.
Let me copy everybody over. Leah, you were the first one to fill it out. Congrats.
Well done, Leah.
And Darkus was the last one who got in. Everybody who joined now, too slow. Unfortunately. All right. Copying everybody over. And only, how many people do we have in here? Doesn't say. Well, but not as many as usual because we were quicker. All right.
Let's do it.
The winner of the second giveaway today is Ogie Rai. Ogie Rai 915. Type something in the chat and then we'll see what you win. Oh, the dogs are back.
Oh, I can hear dogs. No, that's not at my place.
But it's Roman. Ogie Rai says, yo, second win. Nice, Ogie Rai.
Nice.
Let's see what you win, though. Growth, select, or lightning funded. Spinning. Ogie Rai, user win. Is it 50 or 25? 25k growth.
Nice.
All right. 25k growth account for Ogie Rai. Since it's your second one, you already know. You have your email address in your YouTube channel description. So that's good. I'm going to just send this to the team and they will send you the 25k growth account within the next 7 days.
Hell yeah.
Congratulations.
Nice win. All right. Ogie Rai.
There we go. Okay, with that being done, chat, you know the drill. Put a big fat W in the chat if you love this stream. Put a big fat L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it. Don't you worry, I will update you on this trade during the New York stream today. I'm not hiding. Everybody's saying, Gamble, I'm taking these screenshots. You don't even know what's going to happen with you. But thank you for tuning in. Big fat W for Celine. Also, her being back is cool. and it's great to be back with the full London team. So today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, as usual, we will be back with the New York session, and then tomorrow 7 a.m. Celine will be back with the UK stream. Celine, before we drop out, anything you want to say to the chat?
Yes, I mean, guys, it's been amazing being back. I missed you guys. I was like, could not wait to get back on Zoom today, and I'm so sorry about yesterday, but we are so back. Starlink is providing. W's to those who took the gold shorts today. Gold melting was the play. All right, I will be switched on tomorrow. I'll be watching gold. You guys know I'm not ever gonna not look at gold ever again. But yeah, look, some losses in the session today, but that's okay. We size down and we live on and we move on. And I will see you guys 7 a.m. UK time tomorrow. Enjoy the day.
Peace.